Alrighty then. Wow, so bloody out there. It's so bloody. What is up, Killuminati? What is up? How you doing? Can I talk about B3? Sure, we will check it out. We will check out the chart. I do have quite a list for you because after such a deep, dark day, I do expect viewership to be extremely low. So I have plenty of charts to go over, and then we will get to all requests. Don't you worry, we will get there. Hopefully you're having an okay day. Hopefully you were shorting the market because I am in a damn good mood because I made some profits. I made a lot of profits, but it was good. I refuse to sell until it goes lower. All right. Oh, tech service, good to see you back. So, what happened in crypto today? Turns out the SEC dropped its lawsuit against Kraken. That's great. Binance to delist non-MiCA compliant stablecoins in Europe starting March 31st. Surprisingly, this actually includes USDT. So, this could actually be contributing to some of the sell-off, surprisingly. But anyways, Bitcoin dominance falls under 50% as Trump announces crypto reserve plan. This was surprising. I don't understand that. We're gonna have to check out the chart. But anyways, Bitcoin dominance slipped from 55.4% to below 50% in the hours after U.S. President Donald Trump initially announced the country. Oh, to include XRP and Solana. So when everything was pumping, dominance came down. It has since come back up. Bitcoin's dominance has slipped to 49.6% as the likes of Cardano and XRP increased 60.3% and 34.7% respectively over the last 24 hours. So yeah, they've been coming back down. This sounds like such a fantastic article, except for they came back down. Anyways, the U.S. Crypto Reserve, U.S. Crypto Reserve, suitable for SEC clarity, industry exec. I'm so confused here. Adding altcoins to the National Reserve also increases centralization risk, one analyst said. That's true. That's very true, especially for some of the altcoins, because their market caps are not very big, and then it would turn into, oh, we can just buy them all. That could be a problem. Essentially, if you want all of your coins to be worth nothing, you buy them all. No one would buy them. That's kind of the problem. That article is wrong. BTC dominance never dropped that low, at least on TradingView. I believe you on that one. I definitely believe. That's why I say we're gonna have to check that chart. I don't know about all that. Altcoin risk. Trump's inclusion of altcoins such as XRP and ADA has sparked accusations that Donald Trump may be attempting to increase his own crypto wealth with the move. Young added, Trump has accumulated various altcoins through entities under his control. You know, that one's flying around a lot. Seems like he's doing his own insider trading. I'm not going to say they're wrong, but, you know, how about we stop letting Congress trade stocks too? Like, let's blank sweep it. Don't let them do it. That'd be great. Anyways, BNB chain scales up network as meme coin activity boosts transactions. No. There's one thing. Binance Smart Chain meme coins, you are just trying to burn your money. Anybody jumping into the Binance Smart Chain for meme coins, officially, it is all scams. It's worse than Solana. It's so bad. So if anybody's throwing their money into the Binance Smart Chain meme coins, I wish you the best of luck, but you probably should have just went to Vegas because you could have at least gotten some money back. Or, who knows, lost it with a stripper. Could have been better. But Binance Smart Chain, you used to be amazing. I used to love you. And then all of a sudden you fell from grace. Anyways, new energy in the Binance Smart Chain, so apparently there's more activity. Who knows? If they can stop the rug pulls, great. Until they do that, I'm sorry, Binance Smart Chain, you're going on the back burner. We're all moving over to Base because Ethereum gas fees are high. Or at least they were. I don't know. The lower Ethereum gas fees go, the more rug pulls are going to come. It kind of is what it is. Wow, they're not really... Judge tosses fraud suit against Richard Hart. U.S. bill tackles crypto at Mount. Okay, Richard Hart out of the limelight, no longer being accused of fraud. Look at that. Look at that. Hope Toshi meme coin does good. I own just a little. Hopefully. U.S. Senator includes bill to stop crypto ATM fraud. There's crypto ATM fraud? Well, excuse me? Hold on. Illinois Senator his name's Dick. Dick Durden. Jesus Christ. Dick Durden. I can see why he became a senator. He got bullied a lot. Oh my god. Alright, Richard. Jesus. Proposed legislation targeting crypto ATM machine fraud in the U.S. The senator said there is an alarming trend of crypto ATM fraud among the 30,000 machines in the U.S. Because of this, he introduced a crypto ATM fraud prevention act to place guardrails against fraud targeting senior citizens. Okay, cool. How everyone doing? Jamie doing good. What's up, DZ? How you doing? All right, so this one's probably talking about the people in high rankings cannot drop in a meme coin. Great, awesome. All right, so the news right now, big old nothing burger. They're not giving us anything juicy. Let's move on. Let's get out of here. Jeez. Let's check out Bitcoin. Here's the real drama. I'll tell you what. Yeah, there's a section for ATM/kiosks on the FBI internet scam reporting site. Is there really? That's crazy. Last 4 months of BTC gains wiped out this week. Yeah, tech support. Yeah. But I will say, anybody who's been a part of the members only section of Discord, I believe I did my best to at least get you to make $5. So y'all should become members. Anyways, yeah. Been dropping some fire in there with those trades. I can tell because my portfolio got stupid. It got actually stupid. Like, the past couple days have... market's falling too fast. It's actually falling too fast. Should have held off buying back. Yeah, Rich, probably. Nice plug. Hey, man. Someone out here wasn't crazy bullish. May I request the usual degen and Ondo? Sure. Ondo is already on the list of things we're going to be checking, but we will throw in degen because that's not on the list. Alrighty, just wait till you see the last 2 years of S&P 500 wiped out soon. It probably actually will. And that's all because of the beautiful recession. Oh, wait, Rich already knows. Yeah, you called it. I'm sorry. It's just, it was low-hanging fruit, okay? A giant gap was made on a Sunday. That's wild. That was wild. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. 1 second. Alright, I'm back. I'm used to it. Alright. Why you ask? Because Rich is in Discord. Rich joins voice chat. Rich does join voice chat. Anyways, so Let's go over real quick the list of tokens we're going to be covering today. It is Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, HBAR, Algorand, Solana, XRP, Litecoin, Ondo, XCN, Uniswap, Link, BNB, Filecoin, FET, Render, API 3, XAI, GRT, and BAL. Maybe it's BEL. I'm not all the way sure. It might be BEL. Let me check real quick, because that's the trade I'm in. Trade I'm still currently in. Still in it. BEL. I'm just dumb. BEL. Bell. Alright, those are the ones we're going to be checking. So, if I did not say your crypto, please go ahead, drop in a comment, let me know which one you want me to look at, and I will look at it. Because you know what? We're out here to make this dough, whether it be up or down. The moon is looking super bearish right now. Oh boy. See, it's bad when you gotta trade off the moon phases. Awesome list. I'm glad you like it. I was first. You were first. But when the members start requesting, understand what happens. If you guys could do me a huge favor, though, please hit the like button. No matter how dark, desolate, and terrible this market is, I am still here live. Remember that. I could be in a hiding hole, could be completely silent. Maybe if I was wrong. Either way, I'd still be out here. Doge, please. We will get it, Twix. Got you on Doge. Also, welcome into the stream. I don't think I've ever seen you here. Welcome in. Doge. Alrighty, we got the Doge in there. So, looking at Bitcoin right now, we have this long-term uptrend. We all know what happens when you lose an uptrend. This is actually really, really bad. It's more bad because of what we just recently did. So, there was a CME futures gap that wasn't quite filled. We're focused on that, but what is likely to happen? Getting a test all the way down at $71,243. It is a likely possibility because there is no price action where we're sitting. There's nothing. There is no resistance until you get down to $73,071. Nothing. There's nothing here. Nada. So, we're expecting it to go down and touch some support. I don't want to do this. But we're going to. We're breaking a trend line. Mentally prepare. Buckle up for safety. There is a possibility of $64,964. There is a possibility of us seeing that low of a price. 22% more downside could happen. Okay? Just mentally prepare for that. It is definitely a possibility. Alright? And that is solely because we had an uptrend that we fell through. Not once, twice. This is not a good look. This is very bad. So anyways, let's go ahead and look at the liquidation heat map. Now that we got that out of the way, I looked at that earlier today and I was like, damn! So yeah, a lot of people probably don't want to hear that. Probably going to lose a lot of viewership because of that. But hey, all I can do is give you the information. You can do with it as you will. 64K BTC? That's wild. Yeah, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. But it is a possibility based off the daily time frame. Could take months to get down there. If that does happen, I'm expecting it to be a recession, a full-blown recession, and it will not be good. Even your liquidation heat map, the futures traders don't have a clue what's going on. Probably because the bears are sitting there like, we haven't had it this easy before. This is crazy. So, yeah, it's kind of wild. Checking out your weekly, though, on the heat map, you can see people are trying to go long, and they're getting faded out instantly. Only a matter of time before the rest gets taken out. Price needs, whoever put in shorts up here, this $126 million, they might be safe. But noted, them covering their shorts, they will cause the price to go up. So understand that. It will cause the price to go up. How do you think BTC will go down to 65K and more? The more institutions have been buying it at 90K. I'm just saying what the technicals are saying. I have no idea how it could do that. I didn't know that it could rise up 10% in an afternoon and then fall 10% the next day. I do not know. All I know is the technicals are saying it. That's it. That's all it is. It's technicals. This is not fundamental analysis, because the fundamentals have never been stronger. But with that being said, why would we have fallen down this far anyways? If the fundamentals are this strong, we never should have gotten below 87,300. Never should have happened. But we did. So I would say if there is a recession, a deep, dark recession, yeah, 65K could happen. I'm still looking at 71,000. I'm just saying what the possibility is. Okay? Make that clear. Just a possibility. Oh, I think BTC ETFs got in like 67K area. I don't know if these hedge funds managers are going to let their customers lose money. That's true. They probably won't. That's very true. Now we know why Trump announced the reserve on Sunday, because the bad news was coming Monday. I mean, maybe. I mean, with those tariffs. So another thing, the tariffs, they will be inflationary at the beginning. At the beginning, they will be inflationary. In an already struggling market, it's not good. It's actually not good. Over the long term, it will be fantastic. Let me make that clear. The longer term, it's going to create more jobs. It's going to raise our GDP. It's going to make it to where Jimbo Bob down the street is going to tell you why you should buy Fart Coin, because it'll change your life. Alt season will return. But until the economy gets better, it's going to be rough. It's going to be really rough. Back when you were saying 60K range is definitely possible. I mean, yeah. It's possible. It's just, we don't know. No matter how bad it gets, they will not let it fall below BlackRock's ETF filing level. Hey, maybe not. Noted, BlackRock could prop up the market by himself. Noted, we could be bullish tomorrow. Understand that much. We could be bullish tomorrow. So, on your daily right now, we are in the bearish control zone. We are finding support off the 200 daily moving average. Looking at our 4-hour time frame, it does look like we had bullish divergence, and we're making that higher low. So there is a bullish case being formed right now. Toby, we can't wait. We can't even get a pity rally. I said it in Discord. Honestly, I think we're going to be bullish on Thursday. It's a thought. It's a gut feeling. I think we're going to be bullish on Thursday. Because noted, on the 4-hour, we do have triple bullish divergence. We had a nice move up. Now we're just making that higher low. And noted, the higher low, I mean, where we could go just a little bit further. If we end up stopping at 80,325. 80,325, keep that number in mind. If we stop there and start going up, that's the higher low we need. Great area for price to turn around, start going back to the upside. This will all look like a bad dream. Won't be a problem. And then we can go back to bullish for March, baby. But kind of what we got to deal with right now. All right, next up, let's go ahead and check out these CME future gaps. Let's check these out real quick. So the gap that was formed has been filled right here. Fantastic. Now, the thing I'm wondering, big time wondering, are we going to fill this whole gap, or are we just going to partially fill it? I mean, we came close. Maybe they'll say that's good enough. Maybe. And maybe we'll just test the top of this range before taking off. Where's the top of this range at? 81,095. We're going to wait and see. Is there news on Thursday, or are you going off of the crypto reserve announcement on Friday by the rumor? No, just usually what happens, it's just a common thing. If you're selling all week, Thursday is normally a bullish day, simply because everything's so oversold. It's just a common thing. But also, we get jobs numbers coming out on Friday, which we are expecting really bad numbers. So if they come in slightly better, we're gonna see the rally. We're gonna see a rally start ensuing. We will, just based off that. The higher low then will go to new all-time highs. It'd be bullish, not bearish. March will be good. Well, yeah, if we get the higher low, then yes, it will be extremely bullish. Which noted, I said this while we were dumping in February. I am bullish for March. I'm bullish for March. Anyways, gotcha. Yeah, Toby, yeah. Is NDX on the list? I've never even heard of NDX, so no, it's not. We will check it out for you, though. We will check it out. NDX. XRP, new all-time high tomorrow? No, XRP to 58 cents. I'm not even capping on that one. I believe that will happen. I am not bullshitting when I say that. Screw XRP. Golly. From what I remember, a gap has to fully fill. Yeah, it could fully fill. Fart coin to the moon. Oh, here we are. Here we are. I was pretty sure the ETF filing was around 54, 57K range. Oh, God, really? Kia have potential to rebound? I mean, anything could rebound. If you want, I can check the chart for you once we get there, of course. Dang, chat's kind of going off today. Appreciate you guys. You guys are great. We will throw this into the list. KE2. Taquito, taquito. I don't know what it is. I wrote it down though. Anyways, let's start diving into all these other charts real quick. Let's check out Ethereum. I'm gonna go pretty quick through these, so don't get mad at me. Don't get crazy. Who could have called 20% to the downside? Oh no. Anyways, looks like we're about to try and find some support. However, we have bullish divergence on the 4-hour right now for Ethereum. Go figure. Doesn't the Kyoto team own like 98% of the supply? Who knows? Who knows? I mean, hey, Dogecoin had the same situation. Look at what it did. It did great. Anyways, so wait, I also have to check this real quick. Okay, we're good. All right, so Ethereum right now, you did lose a level. This is a very bad thing because this does look a little double toppy at that $2,500 level. So I would like to see it hold support here at 1930. I would love that, especially with the bullish divergence that is forming on the 4-hour. That looks great. Checking out your daily time frame, though, still looks nasty. However, you are putting in some bullish divergence. This is not bad. This is not bad. Did great after the devs sold off thinking it was a dead. Oh, talking about Doge? Yeah, that's true. That's true. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. You had a bearish engulfing candle. Looks like the follow through's happening. Maybe we see a bullish day tomorrow. I'm really confused seeing bullish divergence on Ethereum. I'm very confused with that. But it's there. It is right there staring us in the face. If it turns around. I mean, this is massive bullish divergence on the daily. It could turn around. Now that everybody's feeling all desperate and terrible and like poo-poo, this thing might actually go really well. If you lose 1930, it's not going to be a good day. It's not going to be a good day. You could be going straight down to 1546. This could be really bad. Are we thinking we can have a bounce tonight? I don't know. I don't know about tonight. Maybe tomorrow morning. Can we look at Bonk, please? Thank you, sir. Yeah, we'll check out some Bonk. Bonk. Market open is always your signal. Exactly. Market open is always the signal. Not much will go green until BTC does. That's a fair assessment. That's a fair assessment. But yeah, if we don't hold this 1913, we are looking at some lower prices, and this would be the first spot I'm looking at right there, 1546. I agree. I think Wall Street was pissed at Trump Jr.'s tweets about Wall Street missing out and catching up. Oh, that's pretty funny. That Tau short banged. Hey, fees, what can I say? I'm out here reading the charts every day. Every day we're reading them. But yeah, no, Tau, it went very well. It went very well. Anyways, next up we got ADA. ADA, the thing that went up 70% and gave it all back. Oh my god. That is insane. Look at this daily candle. Look at this shit. 24% to the downside. You were broken out of your downtrend. You're back in it. Oh no. Confirming the resistance at 117.76. Jeez. Yo, what's up, Nikita? How you doing today? How you doing today? Hey, chat. I feel like we can do better than 12 likes. Dang, we only got 12? It's okay. I probably already got 2 dislikes. People hate bad news. People hate it. It's fine. I'd like to add INTC. INTC. Got you covered. ADA. Definitely, why you need to take profits? Exactly. Always take profits. Hit that like button for the Tau gods. Oh boy, here we are. Here we are. CSPR and AXL. Got you covered. CSPR. AXL. Got you covered. Got you covered. Alright, so right now for ADA, it's rough. Rough times out here, getting big time pullback on your daily time frame. And it's just the confirmation of the high that's kind of your biggest problem here. Like, if you didn't confirm that high, this would be so much better. But it leaves you wide open for, oh, we have a brand new area to think of as a downtrend. Now it's this bullshit right here. Absolutely insane. So this is why I say it's insane. Because now you're like, oh, we can consolidate forever. Literally forever. Like, look at how ridiculous this is. Your consolidation could bring you all the way out to June. How crazy. Can we check Kava and Tau? Yes, we can. Kava. So based off your daily here, you should hold support. It's a should. I'm not saying you will. How low can FET go? We will see. It is a part of the charts I will be covering first. What's up, more money? How you doing today? How you doing today? Consider the start of Megaphone. I mean, I wouldn't count it as a megaphone because you do have an extremely distinct higher low. So I would say it's a consolidation like this until you break the low. So right now, lowest thing I think you could go to is sitting around 60.73. Maybe you get that an absolute full back test. Jasmine, sure, we'll throw it in there. Jasmine. ADA on its way to stablecoin prices, right? Consolidation ending in June of all months would be such, oh goodness, monolithic drop. Yeah, it could be a really bad drop and you could find yourself at 36 cents. It would be kind of fantastic though, going into your 4-hour time frame where you can see you were distinctly overbought. But now it's like, hey, we're probably going to get a higher low. Like, probably. You had bullish divergence here. You're looking for a higher low. So what I would actually be looking at, like realistically, I'd be looking at 786, 886 levels. So maybe, and noted, you're already at the common retrace, the 618. You're already there. You could turn around from here, start going to the upside. It is a possibility. But if it does have more downside in it, I'd be looking for anywhere between 11, possibly 19% more downside, and then catching some bids. That's just an idea. Noted, you also have another trend line going to the upside here, right there, which is lining up almost perfectly with that 786. So let's just argue, maybe, just maybe you catch some bids right there. 11.6% more downside could be coming. It is a possibility. It is not a guarantee. Remember, this is just technical analysis. I do not have a crystal ball. I wish I did, though. I really do wish I did. Here's your downtrend that you need to break. If you can break out of this downtrend and hold support at 78.35, you have a ton of upside. A ton of upside. But of course, you're just going to be looking at what is realistic right now if you do catch the bounce. It's that golden retrace. So your bullish case at this moment in time is for you to go up 27%. So those of you who actually feel bullish on ADA right now, your hopium, your glass of tall milk at night, right, so you can get a nice sleep at night, here you go, 27% upside, but keep in mind, stay bearish until you're broken out. Stay bearish until broken out. All right? Bearish till broken out. And even when you break out, back test high or low. It needs some work. So don't get caught off guard, people. Don't get caught off guard. Alrighty. Man, I'm really kicking myself for buying back last night. Rich, chill out. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. You're going to make plenty of money. Feel that I can have almost 2x your ADA bag. Jeez, Rich. Jeez, ADA hasn't given it all back yet. Still time to short. That's true, Jim. That's true. I was thinking about selling and buying back, but I probably would have done the same thing. Yep, this may be new strat to spot selling range. Oh, here we are. Here we are. Highs buying back, ranges lows. Sheesh. All right, so this is what I'm seeing here for ADA. For those of you who believe we're going to have a bullish day tomorrow, that 27% upside's calling your name, getting back up to $1.157. I personally don't think it's going to do it, but hey, I've been wrong. I've been wrong plenty of times. It could do it. I would really like it much more at this 11.63% downside, though. I would like that way more. Let's move on. We got H-bar. H-bar, I was looking at this earlier. Might be set up for a short right now. Might have missed my entry. Fuck, I missed my entry. Damn it! Anyways, H-bar right now, you had this funky looking rising wedge. It didn't look good. Didn't look great. We fell out of it. I think we hit the measured move, but the market's just still bearish. So what I'm looking for out of H-bar is something in the realm of this, where you could see this thing come on down to 19714, and we could be looking at this as a possible scalp trade, 12% to the downside. Maybe it goes a bit further and hits that 17%, just maybe. Only problem with what it's doing right here, you didn't retrace high enough. So you'd have to have a stop loss like all the way up here. It's kind of annoying, like 24.73. It's really high, but if you believe this downtrend is intact, get that stop loss right above 23634 and just pray for the best. Like, make your mind already. Crypto market oh yeah, crypto market's nuts. It is nuts this year. Actually nuts. Jim, I mean, if the asset has a future, it makes sense. Just very long-term plan. True. I was a proper Wall Street market this year. That's pretty funny. What's up, James? How you doing? Everything in crypto is about to bounce. Oh, James got the calls. Well, Brett is back testing. Did DGen pump? I'm not sure. DGen's on the list, though. We will check it out. But moving along, that's what I see out of H-bar. If it does catch a bounce, maybe you find some resistance at 25 cents. I mean, in all honesty, considering you broke out of this downtrend, it makes the most sense to come back down to 16,899 as a formal backtest after a breakout. It makes the most sense. So you could see H-bar come back down 24%. Would not be strange. It actually would be low-key bullish. So there's that. If you can hold that support, fantastic. And then you'd be looking for much higher prices. So let's just say you get the golden retrace after that. You would then be aiming at 31,406. Would look really good. You can keep saying B3 all you want, but I'm still covering all the charts that I mentioned at the beginning of stream before I get to requests. You don't have to keep saying it. It's literally written down. Anyways, how many times do we eat dirt and then immediately go up in stocks? It's every move. Yeah, yeah, that's true. Stocks. It's kind of weird right now because it seems like money's shifting back and forth between stocks and crypto. So if stocks does bad, crypto does really good. If crypto does bad, stocks are doing a little better. So it just seems like money is shifting back and forth. And noted in the world of Wall Street, the money's got to go somewhere, right? Right? Anyways, actually, DGen is down 17% on 24 hours. Yeah, it did fall again. It had a good pump. That's probably the reason why. Next up, we got Algorand. Algorand is not doing great. You had a nice false breakout. Fantastic. You still have an uptrend to work off of. That's a surprise. Until you break this uptrend, you could go up. It could go up. You could find support at 20 cents. I personally would like it a lot better at 14. Just my thought. Not saying it has to do that. I would like it better down there, though. It would look a little cuter, you know. It would be wearing those nice high heels. Anyways, yeah, on the daily, you tried your damnedest to retake the 200. You got a daily candle close below the 200 simple moving average. Good luck to the downside. Good luck to the downside. This was very bad. This was very bad. Every argument you had to go up is absolutely gone because look at what you tested. Here's the top of your range. That's all you did. You got a back test and you fell. Oh my, oh my. So right now, right this moment, I'd be looking at it 14 cents. Oh shit. That's crazy. I would like to go down. Porky 2025. That's pretty funny. Yo, do we get a baby update? Is he eating food yet? Of course not. He's still on milk. He's a month. He's literally a month old. He won't be 2 months old until the 20th. Oh man. Forza will be bullish? Like the actual races, or are you talking about the game? So we could see 36% downside on Algo. And you know what? Out of all the outlandish calls that I make, I feel like this one could do it. I really do. This one, I feel strongly on this one. This could definitely do it. Anyways, that's Algorand. Let's move on. We got Solana. Solana did so wonderful yesterday to get absolutely smacked in the mouth today. Oh my, bearish engulfing candle. Ugh, gross. It is now back in play. If we lose 127, if we lose 116, you could see $77 Solana once again. That is crazy. Too many paper hands in the market? Yeah, but the problem is the paper hands are institutions. It's not like the real retail. My son was pounding double cheeseburgers in the back of your F-150 after the first week. Oh my gosh, Jim, you're wild. You're absolutely wild. The dump as soon as we get a mirror pump. Why not hold out for the diamonds? I mean, that's true. That's true. Why not? Why not? But yeah, so Solana right now, it is in danger. If you lose that 127 level, you have a daily level of support sitting right here at 116, but that's kind of your last line of defense before $77. It is a possibility to get that. It is a possibility right now. Until you break back above 137 and stay above it, could be pretty dark, pretty bad. Anyways, next up we got XRP, the special people's token. The special people's token. Diamond handing is fine, but then you could have been liquid for the bottom range. So that's true. I don't believe in diamond handing. Just so everyone knows, I don't believe in diamond handing. You want to know what this looks like to me? Do you really want to know? Looks like we are about to get a fulfillment of prophecy. Seeing $1.55. That's the hell this looks like. 58-cent XRP. God, I'm going to keep saying it loud and proud. 58-cent XRP. And that might be generous. 58 cents. Oh, man. I know there's some people who really hate it when I say that. And then we're going to get there and be like, damn, you were right, bro. 886 would be an 82-cent XRP. So, I want that deep retrace. Nearly 100%. Because it didn't backtest a gosh darn thing. It just took off. And if we learned anything from Shiba Inu, backtests are important. Base is better than Solana? Base is Ethereum light. Like, what? I don't know about better. It's just different. Alright, so yeah, XRP right now, I'm looking for this 155 in complete seriousness because of the rising wedge pattern that you did have. That is kind of an important thing. Also, this fake out up here is a real problem because you are now validating this 219 as major resistance. I mean, like, major. Next time you see 291, this could turn into something very hard to break through. So this is going to be a rough one to break through. XRP Army acts like everyone is round tripping going to 50 cents, but the reality is the institutions are laughing at them. Ripple too. I don't think they're laughing at Ripple. I think they might be laughing at the XRP holders, but not Ripple. So Ripple, in my honest opinion, if they end up getting their IPO, oh my, they are going to be a powerhouse. Based off Fibonacci retracements, this is a big deal because you could see this thing go down all the way, 67% downside, seeing 75 cents. At that point, why not get to 58 cents? Why the heck not? Calling it 58 cents. All right, next up we have LTC. LTC. Oh, I wanted to short this so bad. Damn it. I wasn't sitting at the computer. I really wanted to short this one. I even have my alert up here. I was like, oh, maybe it's going to get up there, get a little test. Didn't do that. Did not do that. Damn, man. Oh, that sucks. Anyways, Litecoin looks like it's going to $78. That's what it looks like. However, I thought I saw something interesting on the 4. I did see something interesting on the 4. So the 4 hour, at this moment in time, looks like it's trying to put in bullish divergence. So that is the interesting thing I saw. And it will give you an opportunity if we catch a bounce tonight. So, Litecoin still has a possibility with that bullish divergence, but I don't think it's long-lived. Honestly, I don't think it's long-lived. But you do have this crazy consolidation pattern. It doesn't look good. You might get a bearish backtest at that 114 level and then roll on over. And noted, now your Fibonacci's lined up absolutely perfectly to go down and test some support, sitting at $78. So, kind of a shame, but it is what it is. Is what it is. I come here for Hopium, got a bag of XRP at $2. It's gonna go to $1.68. Breaks my heart. I will go here, Crypto Galaxy. Yeah, Roberto. I didn't say 168. I was talking about 58 cents. So Crypto Galaxy will give you all the Hopium you need, I guess. I don't give Hopium at all, and I think that's why my viewership's so low. I give zero Hopium. All I do is I sit here and just drop truth bombs nonstop. I'm like, hey, looks like it's trash. Be careful. Be careful. And the worst part is, I put my money where my mouth is. I short the shit out of this market. I don't think you guys understand. I really do short this market often. If you're in the members group, you get to see how often I talk about, oh, I'm short, 15x short, 20x short, 25x short. Like, it's all the fucking time. All the fucking time. It's kind of sad. I'll give you a little preview real quick. So, like, in here, right here, entered a 15x short on Maker. Right here, entered a 15x short on Bell. Right here, 25x short on BCH. I'm giving stop losses, profit taking levels. This is what I do in this members only channel outside of talking to you guys. 15x short on Uni. I short so damn often. 15x short on Tau. Yeah, just so you guys understand, I actually do that. I'm not just talking out of my ass here. I actually do it. If more people put the effort into learning shorts, they'd find this channel as a gold mine. I guess so, maybe. Maybe. Holding up bag. If you hold the bag enough times, you stop. Yeah, that's fair. I'm not worried about crypto. I'm young and holding for 4 years anyway. You're just missing out on gains at this point. Well, let's compare the memberships between what? I don't even know. Roberto, there's a chance it rebounds, dude. There's always a chance. I'd sell my B3 when it 5x. I lost so much money I have nightmares. Ouch. Ouch. Sorry to hear that. But alright, anyways. So right now what I'm looking at for Litecoin is on the 1 hour, you're bottoming out. You're bound to get an oversold bounce. Bound to get an oversold bounce. Gonna be looking for that 50% retrace on the bounce. At that point in time, if the market's still bearish, you're going to just see lower lows. And it's going to be rough because this would be a formal back test. It wouldn't be great. I had bad news compared to the top 20 between every year in 4-year period. Jeez. All right. If you did that with stocks, maybe less horrifying. Fair. Yo, what's up, High Def? What's up, High Def? How you doing? How you doing? So right now, I could see a bounce coming for Litecoin, but I think it would be short-lived. I think it would be short-lived. Dr. Bunsen Honeydew, thank you so much for the sub. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? So on a bullish case here, you could see Litecoin go up 9.8%, maybe even a little bit higher. I'm going to put my alert right there because I think it's a good opportunity. Trying to find the cost of membership. Hope it's not on the thousands like the Moon Boy. Roberto, it's a $5 membership to the channel. $5. I hope I can get you guys $5 through watching the channel. I really do hope. I'm kind of affordable. Love good honeydew. Seriously, good honeydew. Should I buy LTC at $97? Doctor, I will never give you financial advice. I'll tell you what, I will never give you financial advice. All I can tell you is what I find on the chart. And currently what I'm finding on the chart is 2 Fibonacci retracement levels coinciding with we are probably going to go down and see $78. That's all I can say right now. Hey, Porky, appreciate your lives. As always, can you check XRP, SRM, and... yeah, actually, the chart right before this was XRP. You can go check... Cam, XRP to 58 cents. I don't know what else to tell you. 58 cents, bro. What's up, Max? How you doing today? Shit, you're a cheap date. I am a cheap date. I mean... Yeah, I don't understand the whole, pay me thousands of dollars. I actually make money trading. I don't get it. I just want the channel to be supported, honestly. So I'm like, hey, a $5 membership seems right. Max, that's another thing. If you have Amazon Prime, go become a sub on Twitch. I am live on Twitch as well. You could get the membership for free. Link it to your Discord, and then you're into the members only channel. Use Prime. I don't give a shit. 97, just saying. Oh boy, here we are. But I will write these other ones down. Cam, SRM, POKT. Got it. Got it. Oh, XPR. I misread that. I'm sorry, Cam. XPR. My bad. That's my bad. That's all me, brother. That's all me. So right now, bullish case scenario, you see yourself going up to $9.82. Bearish case scenario is to fall all the way down to $78. That would be a 24% drop from here. I don't think the market makers are going to make it that easy. I just don't think they're going to do that. They got to get people interested in buying in, thinking that the selling is over. They have to. Please render when you get a chance. Max, yeah, we can. Render's on the list. We will get to it. I promise you. Okay, it's because XRP is centralized. I'd never buy anything centralized except for Pith, which is amazing and is holding right now. Pith to the moon. Okay, cool. Can I look at Jupe? Yeah, I got you covered. Got you covered on Jupe. Jupiter. Not already on the list. Alright, moving right along. Ondo. Let's, oh my goodness. Let's check out the 4 hour. No. Who would have thought it could possibly go to 76 cents? Oh no. Perfect 50% retrace? What are the odds? What are the odds? Oh, man. So here's the weird part. It's like you could get a higher low, or you could just go all the... Oh, my God. You could go down to 59.66? It's kind of crazy. Oh, the best viewers, huh? Get out of there. What are you doing? What are you doing, brother? Oh, the spam over there is terrible. Hope people took profits on Ondo. Seriously. By the way, Max, thanks again for the Prime sub over there on Twitch. I do appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. All right, let's give a little hopium for Ondo. You got a higher low right now. You got a higher low after getting bullish divergence. Hopium is here. Hopium is here, baby. I'm here to give the hopium. I'm here for it. This could be a brand new uptrend, people. Hey, Porky, if you go TME, could you do MSTR Irene holding on to strings here? Sure. Got you covered. MSTR Irene. I think MicroStrategy in the short term, you should probably just don't do it. See 42 members. Discord wanted to join but unable to accept invite. I will join when I see what's going on. Unable to join? What? That don't make no sense. Hold on a second. Alright, let me give you a link right now. There is the link to the Discord. It will be valid for the next 7 days. Feel free to join. I don't know why the link was not working, but hey, there's a new one. Alright, so Ondo right now. You are underneath your level of support. This is a problem, but setting that higher low with bullish divergence on the 4 hour, this is the hopium. This is the hopium part of the stream. If we hold support, here's your bullish case right now. You could find $1.45 and a confirmed breakout to the upside. Here's your hopium, 55% upside. That is what I'd be looking for if this was reversing its trend. Because you need that higher high. The 1618 is a great area to go to. Discord is only for serious traders. Yeah, that's kind of fair. It won't make much sense to people who don't want to trade. That's kind of fair. Action happened in after pre-market hours. Let that sink in. Oh no. That's terrible. Anyways. So 4 hour time frame looks actually really good for Ondo.
Holy shit.
Yo, Roberto, thank you so much for becoming a member. I appreciate you. Yeah, make sure you link your Discord to YouTube, and then you will have full access to that members only channel, which, in all honesty, you just get to see when I'm trading. Welcome to the family. I do appreciate the membership. You are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. But yeah, it's only $5, guys. If I can't help you make $5 within a month, frankly, I don't think anybody should be watching the channel. Just frankly speaking, I don't think you should be watching the channel. Looking at your 1 hour time frame in that oversold territory, this is legitimately something I would be looking at for trading right now, and surprisingly going long. I know it's weird to hear that because I've been so bearish lately, but we're gonna give it the good old 1-2. Now, bearish case scenario, you're just gonna get stopped by this downtrend you're in. This is probably the worst case you could have, because I'm guessing it's gonna line up with your bearish 5-0. I'm guessing, just a thought. Motherfuck. Alright, so yeah, lines up perfectly with the bearish 5-0. So if you do come up here, hit resistance, and you start to roll over, you're in the downtrend. You are in the trenches. You will look at this as, oh, that was my first leg down. We're getting ready for leg number 2. And leg number 2 is dirty. It'll do you dirty. But look at how it lines up so nicely around support. You can get that nice wick low. So if you get that bearish 5-0 right there, maybe it goes a little higher and you roll over, you could see 34% downside. Keep this in mind. This is the bearish case scenario, okay? Anyways, $5 a month to learn how the pros make money and give it a try. Hey man, that's all it is, $5. I don't understand those who are like, oh, join my course for $1,200. I'm pretty sure those people are not making money trading. I'm pretty sure. It's just a thought. But yeah. 0 likes after asking nicely. Oh no. Rich, did you hit refresh? MasterCard and Ondo is bullish. Jim, I'd do the opposite of your advice. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here we are. The infighting has started. I already liked. Some people are poor on empathy. That's pretty funny. That's rough. That's rough. All right, so that's Ondo, bullish and bearish case. Let's see how the bounce goes. Let's see how you reset your indicators. If you hit that 55% upside, that's going to be fantastic. Now you're broken out. Could be great. I did. We have 1 like on YouTube. One? What? Hold on. We have 1? We have 27 out of 43? Damn, guys. That's kind of tough. But hey, I understand. You guys don't like the stream? It's fine. It's fine. All right, moving right along. We are going into XCN. XCN, I did trade this one. It worked out so well. I didn't even take full profit. Like, I took full profits. I didn't ride it all the way down here. Holy shit, it went further? That's crazy. That is crazy. This was so bearish. Oh no. That's so bad. I like this. No BS channel. Of course not. I didn't get my degree in bullshit science. I got it in kinesiology. That's I learned as much as I could about charts because I wanted to make money. That was the entire reason. I wanted to make money and I didn't want to have to work. Like the biggest oh my god, this is bearish as hell. Hold on. Whoa. Or is it bullish? What are we? Holy shit. Wait a minute. I gotta put on my thinking hat. Hold on. Your MACD looks like you want to go back up. What is XCN on? Holy shit. Did we get bullish divergence? No, we did not. What are you doing? Where's your high at? Slightly lower high? Oh god, what are we doing here? I don't even know where to anchor it. This is a hard one for me. I don't actually know what to do with this. All I can really do is point out you had a higher low and you're regarding it as support. You break this will be fantastic because now you know that, oh, Where's that first higher high? There you go. Could be coming down to this yellow line down here. Could be coming down 42%. But if you catch a bounce, then that higher low means something way different. So we have bullish and bearish case on this. XCN looks weird to me. It looks actually weird. Got to pay attention to this one. You could go up 64% or drop 42%. It's like not in between, nothing in between. Your daily is saying you could do this. That's kind of wild. You have a bullish back test on a breakout on the 4 hour. This looks really bullish. If the market didn't look so terrible, I would be looking for longs. This one's crazy. I don't understand. Devi, we'll check out some Devi. We will check out Devi. Got you. XCN is bullish. I just said that. I just said it's like I would be technically looking for trade setups to the upside. I'm not seeing a bearish case here, surprisingly, and you even have hidden bullish divergence? Are we fucking serious? On the 1 hour? So you see this low here. We come down to our relative strength. You see this? Now you see the higher low, lower relative strength. That is hidden bullish divergence. This is a tall tale sign of you should be thinking about jumping into this thing because it looks beautiful. It looks so gosh darn sexy. Okay, that's weird. XCM not strong. It respects BTC's price action far too closely. You're right. It does respect BTC's price action. It's just right now, I can't deny, it looks like it has hidden bullish divergence. On the 4 hour, it looks like a bullish back test. Shit. Not the 4. I wanted the 15. Jesus. And you're 15. All you have to do is put in a higher low. All you got to do is put in a higher low. This is weird. I don't know if buying is the best option, if I'm being honest. I don't know that it's the best option. Remember, you still have a downtrend. You still have a downtrend. So even if you bounce, maybe you get up to your demand line and then just roll over. So understand that. You still could be coming down. Because also, if I was like day trading this, no bullshit, I would be doing this right here. And I would be focused in on this little time frame to go short. And I would be looking for a 14% drop. And I would have my stop loss right here at 156,958. I would have the stop loss there, and I would be thinking you're going to come down. So, as a day trade setup, it looks like you could lose 14%. On the higher time frames, it looks bullish. But understand, these low time frames, they can really play out. They really can play out. So, I would say be cautiously optimistic. Me personally, I'm not buying into anything right now unless it's at its like all-time lows. And XCN is nowhere close to all-time lows. It had a crazy spike to the upside. I think it might even still be overbought on the weekly. Okay, we're not overbought anymore, but we're just now coming down. We're not in neutral territory. There's zero reason for this thing to go up 65%. There's no reason for it to go up 65%. That's what I'm going to say right now. Zero reasons. It's possible, but there is no reason it should. Especially if you look at this weekly, there's not a single back test in sight. Nothing. You go to your daily, there's no back test. I like back tests. Wall Street likes back tests. Large institutions like some back tests. Not a single one. It just shot out of there like a rocket. And they're hoping people buy in so they can dump it on their heads. Think of it this way. It took them sending this price up. What is this? Oh, god damn it. Like, just focus in on this real quick. It took them sending the price up 2,062% to get people interested in buying this asset. That's what they had to do. That's what they had to send it up a 20x to get you interested into buying this thing. That's how many people were not interested. The crypto market is not the stock market. It is way different. There's a reason why I can short the crypto market way more often than I can short the stock market. It's because the stock market has people constantly buying in. They constantly have the people's retirements tied into it. The crypto market, the only way you make money is by selling high if you buy in for an investment. So your incentive all the time in leverage trading in the crypto world is to short, because you can almost guarantee they're going to take profits. If they don't take profits, they will never make money in crypto. Crypto market is a money laundering scheme. It's great. I mean, it could be. Can't deny that. But understand, they had to send the price up this high to get people even interested, because I honestly want to know, back in, let's say over here, November 9th of 2022, did you know what XCN was? Were you that locked in to know what Onyx coin was? What they do? How important they are? I bet not. That's why the price came all the way down here. Still so bullish on the chart though. Hey, I can understand being bullish, but also just always keep in mind that's what they want you to be. That's what they want you to be. They want you to be bullish so you buy in. Because if there's no buyer, this is what I was saying at the beginning of stream. The easiest way to get a coin to go to zero, own the entire supply. If you own all of it, no one wants to buy it. It's worth nothing. So what they have to do is they have to create demand over this thing that is probably useless. It's probably useless because all in all, most cryptocurrencies are doing the same thing as everyone else. They're like, I can do transactions fast. I can make smart contracts. No, it's just a way for people to pass around money. That's all it is. So I really want to drive that home for everybody. There's a huge benefit to knowing how to short rather than, oh yeah, I should just always buy the dip. Buying the dip 90% of the time is fucking dumb. Like, it's dumb. Can we look at BLZ? Yeah, sure. Yeah, buying the dip's dumb. The only thing that buying the dip even relatively makes sense for is Bitcoin. Like, I'm not saying I'm a Bitcoin maxi or anything, but you go through a bull market, go into a bear market, you'll understand the importance of Bitcoin really quick. You're like, oh, Bitcoin is kind of the market. Okay. All right. So it's just a little perspective. It's nothing wrong with the idea. It's just usually people are like, oh wow, look at how high it went. There's no way it could go down. No, there's a way. There's a way, because all the value for this asset is an 88.6% retrace before they want to send it up again. And right now, your 886 is sitting right down here below this yellow line, which now that I'm looking at, what the hell? Hold on. Really? Oh my god, it lines up almost. Wow. So we might even see just a wick below this yellow line. And currently you have a trade set up to go down to the yellow line. We could see 42% downside. It is a possibility. You can buy the dip for your bag. That will depreciate most of its value until you find the bottom. Well, that's why I usually say buying the dip, it's always best at like an 886. 88.6% retrace. Great areas to be like, oh, I should start accumulating again. Because from here down, I mean, noted, this is still kind of nasty. That's a lot of room. Wow. How much is that? Wow, that's still 70%. That's crazy. Anyways, definitely a way for it to go down. I've learned with Luna. Oh god, Luna. Yeah, and ICP. Oh man, those ones went down bad. Anyways, I'm gonna stop jabbering so much. I'm gonna start getting through these charts. I'm sorry. Let's start flying through these. Uni next. When DC8 into Luna until it hit 0. That's rough. That is rough. That is rough. Uniswap. Damn, I was shorting this one too. I only took it for a 5% short, but jeez. So Uniswap right now, it is set up to go all the way down to $4.06. You are losing way too much support. You are currently finding some support though. So bit of hopium is you hold support right here at $6.80. You lose that level. I'm not very confident with these ones. Not very confident. I would be thinking you would see much lower prices. Much lower. Oh boy. Wait, let's go to the 4-hour real fast. Real fast. So on your 4-hour time frame. Oh, bullish case. We might get a... Oh, this might be nice. If we can come back up and get a bearish back test, that would be amazing. That would be absolutely amazing. Oh, it's lined up so nicely. So if, let's just say overnight, things look bullish, we get a nice little 13% move to the upside, set up perfectly for shorting. Perfectly. Oh my god, it would be perfect. Probably right here at this little apex. If we get any bullishness tonight, that would be so nice. That would be so nice. Anyways, could see a 12.5% move to the upside. Bullish case scenario, oversold on the 4-hour, looking to reset. That would be so good. Because then, I mean, you had this uptrend, you broke it. A back test is normal. It is extremely normal. I hope they don't make us wait till Thursday. But we could then see a nice drop to 547. Oh, that would be so sweet. Could be a 28% drop after that. Oh, that would be nice. Devi, thanks. Don't worry, VV. I got you on Devi. It's already written down. I just have a long list, so. Damn, that uni short should have kept it till now. You're right. I should have kept it too, but hey, took profits. Took profits. Can't be mad. Can't be mad. Anyways, that's Uniswap right now. We could see a 13% rise. Could see that. All right, Link. We are getting more requests than I expected tonight. We had way more viewers than I expected as well. So, there's that. All right, going to the upside, we could see this thing go up to, let's just say 1508. Longer term, though, considering, maybe we're double bottoming. Hopium is there. But we had bullish divergence, double bottom. Would be cool. That's not normal, though. You'd be looking for a higher low. So maybe a bearish back test, and then send it down to 938. That would be okay. That would be okay. All right. That is Link right now. Do we have more likes than expected yet? I doubt it. I doubt it. Usually when I get on my rants, that's when the dislikes start coming in. Nobody likes to hear bad news. No one likes to hear bad news. BNB dropping. BNB does not have support until 504. Looks like we're going to see 504 for BNB eventually. Maybe we're double bottoming. That an eerie amount of charts right now. I mean, yeah, eerie amount. We are insecure, looking for guidance. I don't have the guidance you look for. I just take kind of the emotions out of like me trading outside of XRP. That's full emotions all the time. XRP is terrible, but yeah, normally it's just I just take what I'm given. And what I'm given for BNB is terrible. That's where you caught a bounce. That's where you would have ooh. That's really bad. Double top. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You might see 482? Oh my goodness. BNB, no. Could see another 13% downside. That's crazy. My biggest regret is not buying BNB at 16 bucks. I should have opened a finance account instead of Coinbase. Oh, that's pretty funny. Sensei, help me scalp enough money to buy Doritos and a 6-pack of Coors Light from 7-Eleven. A Binance account. Got it. Hey man, it's emotional, yes, but still. Pith is killing Link. I don't think they're the same. Pith reads prices really well, fast, but I don't think they actually link all the different chains. I could be wrong. I need to look that up, but I don't think they're the same. I don't think they're the same. I know, like, Cosmos, Atom, and Link, I think they compete with each other. I don't know if Pith does. Filecoin looking very strong, sitting down here at all-time lows. All-time lows. So this is one where I would definitely be like, accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. These are the areas to accumulate. If the price falls below 257, get out while you can. It's going down. But Filecoin looks good. Looks really good. Maybe we need to readjust where our downtrend is just a little bit. Because now this looks like, oh, you just readjusted to this high, so you bearishly tested it. Link has always moved slow. You're right. Link has always moved slow. Oh, this is shitty, actually. You're wrong. I could be wrong. I don't know. Amir, you hear about the insider who put 4 million on 50x leverage and 200? Yes, I did. This guy and his buddies are relentless, sucking all the money up. Seriously, that was an absolute crazy idea of an insider trade, and it had to be an insider trade because market was going down. I got stopped out of my shorts, like, looking at them. I was literally staring at the chart, and I couldn't hit sell fast enough. I got stopped out. It was instant, and I was like, what happened? So then I switched over to going long, and I was like, what the hell? What are we doing? It was crazy. It was actually crazy. Some nasty FDV on Pith since 2023 top, 2024 top. Cookie Dow is ready to explode right now. Alert, alert. Could be. I would be more focused on Filecoin if I'm being completely honest. Because you are getting a higher low, holding a support, lowest support ever. I'd be looking for this common retrace. Common retrace on Filecoin could be 108%. Alright. Let's get to FET. FET JI. Yikes. Yikes. Yeah. Yeah, FET shouldn't have done that. So this is what I'm talking about when I say the bearish back test. You can see this uptrend that was here. You fell below it. We had a great day. Bearish back test. Now we're falling. This whole move is now in effect. We could see 29-cent FET. FET could just keep on going. And you have support at 19.3. So FET could come all the way down to 19.3. It's going to take a while, but it could get down there. That's just the fib retracement level. Wow. That's crazy. Could be North Korea gambling with the stolen ETH. That's true, maybe. Gonna wait for a bounce tomorrow and re-enter FET. Probably a good idea there. A good idea. Figure out the new downtrend here. That would be good because you just cleared your low. Somebody out there in this world is gonna talk about triple bullish divergence or bullish div. Someone's gonna talk about it, but you know, we don't get fooled like that. No, not here. Anyways, checking out Render. Yeah, I'm sorry this list is so long now. Now that I realize how many people are here. Sheesh. So, Render trying to hold some support. Not bad, not bad. That reminds me of that one time I walked into a bank, security guard punched me in the mouth and handed me a gold bar. Just don't question it. That's pretty funny. Went to number 2. Did we do degen yet? No, we have not. Not even close. Nope. We got API 3, XAI, GRT, BEL, NDX, INTC, Jupiter, B3, and then DGen. What's up, Solid? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome in. Looks like we're about to lose support for render right now. You don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. Render getting set up to be the next on the chopping block. Oh no. Oh no. Bad looks, brother. Bad looks, brother. You might see a rally coming up to 396.5. If you roll over there, 279 could be coming. Could be coming. Damn. Anyways. API 3. I was bullish on API 3 the other day. What happened? It went bearish as fuck. Oh my god. It's terrible. So API 3, it's this is what we call a struggle bus. This is price discovery to the downside. You don't want that. You don't want that at all. This is really bad. So you were like, hey, maybe we're gonna hold some. No, you are now in the abyss. There's nothing holding you back from going down further. Nothing at all. You do have bullish divergence on the daily, so you better get your little skedoodle butt up there. Otherwise, good luck, API 3. Good luck. You want Litecoin? LTC? I mean, didn't we look at that? Yeah, we already looked at it. All right, we'll loop back around just for the dono. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat, Amir. I do appreciate you. I do appreciate you. BTC was dumping pretty hard. Yeah, OP actually tried to respect that trend line. Not bad. Yeah, man. They try. They fail. Yeah, we looked at LTC already. We'll take a look at it again. Damn, I wasn't here. You were not. So we'll do a quick recap on that one. No worries. No worries. API 3, not even worth buying until you start putting in some higher lows. Can you tell me, please? I heard that the US, there is no weight increase and decrease practice when you're training. Is that right? So people there increase muscle and decrease fat at the same moment? No. It's never at the same moment. You're talking about the differences in your base metabolic rate when you're increasing muscle mass. So there are different ways in which you can lose weight. If you decide to gain muscle mass, you are raising your base metabolic rate, meaning while you are doing absolutely nothing, you are burning more calories than if you had no muscle. Other people will decide to starve themselves, and then that will cause muscle to go away, which will destroy your base metabolic rate. So you could start off with, let's just say your base metabolic rate is 1300, and then you're eating consistently 1000 calories, but you're not working out. That's going to make it to where, yes, you will lose some weight, but your body will adjust, and then you will lose muscle mass along with body fat. Especially if you're not getting enough protein, because most of the people who decide to do that don't understand the importance of protein either. So yes, you will lose a bunch of weight. However, you're not losing what you want. But yes, that was a weird question. I could go further into this, but I don't really want to. We can talk about it in Discord. Anyways, Solid, we are not talking about that. Thanks for looking at Litecoin again. Yeah, no problem. We will look at Litecoin again. We got XAI next. XAI. Depths of hell. No need to look at it. You even got a bearish back test to continue going down. Oh my god. Somebody's going to be like, but the bullish divergence, bro. Who cares? Until you break to the upside, this thing is trash. I was so bullish on it one day, and now I'm not. New information says never touch that. GRT. Well, we'll see what happens at 938 or 816. Could be a very good opportunity to start buying into some GRT. That uptrend, as soon as you broke it, you knew. You knew. GFI looking like it wants to kiss the 40-cent range. I every day that I look at it, it depresses me. So I just stopped looking at the chart. 7 minutes before tariffs, right? We have such concepts as weight gain and weight loss. For example, the gain is 1 month and loss for 3 months, and it's cyclical after the weight loss to gain again. Oh, so you're talking about cutting and bulking phases? Yeah, we have that too. That's usually for people who want to be an athlete normally. RIP Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum got toasted. Dude, I just read the funniest shit all night. Someone launched a coin, rugged it instantly after one guy bought it. That's pretty funny. Actually, that is kind of funny. It's like, yeah, I got your $30. Like, dang, brother, you were hard up. That's thirsty as fuck. It is thirsty. Like, sheesh. But yeah, solid. That's just a bulking and cutting cycle. Oh, great, gotcha. So the guy who told me was wrong. Yeah, he probably didn't understand what you meant. If you were explaining it how you explained it to me, probably didn't understand what you meant. No offense. It sounded weird the way you said it, and that's why I got into that whole explanation. And I was like, wait a minute, what? Right now GRT is in a falling wedge, technically speaking, but we could get that third touch. We could see a 28% drop getting the third touch. But this could be really nice afterwards, even though the last falling wedge, it did you dirty. Didn't even come close. Oh, that's too bad. Anyways. No, it was a video on YouTube. Oh, I gotcha. There's plenty of dumb people on YouTube. I mean, look at me. I am practically retarded. Practically. But, you know. How do you feel about sandbags? Talking about for working out? I mean, kind of don't see the point unless you're doing it for a reason. Like, for an actual exercise, why would you need something unbalanced? Why would you need that? Somebody's going to be like, for the gains, for the muscle confusion. I didn't know you were trying to be a firefighter and you were going to be picking up people. So, I say sandbags are for specific reasons. Which one is the crypto of the future? Of all of them are being taken down by each other, one after another. It's Bitcoin, and then it's whatever's the hot kid on the street. Honestly, Dogecoin has a very good opportunity at being like the next Bitcoin, if I'm being honest. Market is great today, isn't it? Oh my gosh, I was shorting. It was fantastic. Honestly, it was fantastic. Now let's be real. The future token is going to be Fartcoin. Idiocracy is real. So BEL. So what I noticed on the daily time frame is the bearish divergence that formed with this giant wick to the upside. I also noticed this lower high. We are in a downtrend. I am currently in a short on this particular crypto. Could I get stopped out? Sure, because we're in no man's land while going up. But I think we're about to get pulled down by our hair in the worst type of way. I'm only in this for a 12% drop. Currently, we are positive on the trade, and I am looking to take profits right here at 9277, which would be a formal test of our uptrend, but you already know what it is. We break this uptrend, I am shorting it into oblivion, because if we break that downtrend, this will, and I repeat, will get nasty. All the way down here is our target, 5399, and I could milk this for all it's worth. Anyways, that's what I'm seeing. But Doge is a meme coin. What value does... The majority of crypto does not bring value. The majority. And everybody wants to say, I feel like it's going in this direction. Everybody likes to say, oh, but XRP. XRP isn't doing shit. It's not doing shit. Ripple Labs has 3 separate things that banks can use. One of them, XRapid, utilizes the XRP token for a second. That they also sold all those tokens to the bank over the counter. There is zero reason a bank needs to push that price up. The spot ETFs will help push the price up. But other than that, there's no reason for banks to push the price of XRP up. There's no point. No utility. I mean, if you think about it, there's no real utility in Bitcoin either. I'm being honest here. There's no real utility. Everybody's like, but you can send money cross borders without permission. Is that a utility? Because I can take cash anywhere. I hate to say it, but the best thing Bitcoin has for it, it's the cost to make a Bitcoin. That is the biggest thing. Okay, I have an appointment to the doctor, so gotta go. Have a great stream. Solid. I appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully the doctor's appointment goes well. Please don't have cancer. All right. I hate to say it, but with the announcement of an ETF filing for Doge, it is no longer a meme. Oh goodness. It could be an investment tool, but also remember, you need to mine Dogecoin. So there's an intrinsic value because of the electricity it costs to make the token. So that's the argument. Just a store of value? Is it? I mean, is it? I don't know that Bitcoin is a store of value. Because let's just say energy costs drop to zero. What's the value of Bitcoin? I'm just devil's advocate for the gold people out there. It's true. Mining is good though. Mining is good, but it's like, I just want to be real here. Like, I don't want to sound like I'm biased to anything. This is the argument that if I was solely in gold, I would be giving. I'd be like, gold's more important than Bitcoin, and everybody would have to just deal with it. Eric, you think this is cup and handle? Maybe. Handle needs a form though. First time using this app? Oh, nice. Welcome in new members into the Discord. Welcome in. Gotta say hi to you all real quick. All right. But yeah, so it's funny because it's like, if I were solely into gold, I would be like, Bitcoin has no value. Because as soon as we figure out how to make energy cost nothing, now Bitcoin is worth nothing because the power of mining. Now it costs 0 to make a Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now a meme coin. And it's like, oh, damn, bro, what the hell? Yeah, unless you want to start evaluating the time it takes to make a Bitcoin, then sure. But then it would be like, gold is used for all the computers to mine your Bitcoin. Gold's more important. Do I think the gold bars in Fort Knox are replicas? Bro, I don't trust anything the government says. I don't even think it's gold. I bet it's iron that's gold plated. I don't trust shit the government says. But no, it's probably actual gold. It's just Fort Knox doesn't only hold the US's gold. It holds other countries' golds too. It is like the world's best safe. Can I print this Yoo-hoo gold? That's pretty funny. What if it took 0 money to mine for gold? Would the price go down? No, the price of gold would not go down because it is still used in computer chips. So no, it wouldn't. It's also still used for jewelry. Actually, here's a fun thing you could do. Go to a jeweler with a gold or silver actually use it with silver. It's really good with silver. Go there and ask them, what would this cost if I was selling it as jewelry? And then say, what would this cost if I was selling it for the silver? You will hear 2 completely different prices from them. It is crazy. I did this with a ring once. They were like, the silver value in this ring, you'd probably get like $20. I was like, okay, well, what if I wanted to sell it as a ring? They're like, $50 to $75. Excuse me? So it's a little different. It's weird. But I was like, wow, go figure. As a matter of fact, all value is creation of imagination. What is gold and the sense? Only shiny metal after all. What about money? A piece of paper. So the whole thing, why are we breaking out? No. Anyways, the whole thing with gold is actually used in all computer chips. So It is a piece of manufacturing material. Like it's literally needed. BTC pumping. Oh, is that what happened? We're getting that relief bounce? Damn. I need to get through these. All right, GRT, we did it. Bell, we did it. We are getting into NDX. NDX. The NASDAQ. Well, oh my God, that's so bad. Oh, boy. It had a rough day, didn't it? Jim. Silver used to be the gold before the gold. Yeah, that's true. Zoom out. Oh, boy. Yeah, if EMP set us back to the Stone Age, people would still kill each other over gold. I think food would be a little more important. That's just my thought. I think food would be a little bit more important. Need you guys to prepare yourself for what could happen. We could see this thing come all the way down to 18,183. This would be a major market crash. Let's hope it catches a bounce instead. Silver hasn't done shit. It never does. Never does. But I think you can use silver for like water purification or some nonsense. It's a weird thing, but yeah, no. Surprisingly, silver can be used for something. And if it's for water purification, a lot of phone calls. Yeah, this looks a little ridiculous. It's a little bit ridiculous. I want the horizontal one. You lost support. Oh no. All right, let's see if we can hold on to 19,875. But you lost support. You're about to lose your 200 daily moving average if this keeps going down. This could be really bad. Kind of like my BEL trade. Damn, bro. Bitcoin's catching the bids. Bitcoin's catching the bids. Now remember, Bitcoin could have just made a higher low. We could be extremely bullish. There is a possibility we could be extremely bullish. Okay? So that means shorting might not be a good idea. I probably should close out my short. Let's see if I'm in the red right now. Well, that was a mistake. Jesus. I'm down 2% on my short right now. I'm going to leave it open. We'll see. Silver's used for surgical equipment because bacteria can't grow on it. Hence the word silver spoon. Rich people would use silverware. Oh, that's an interesting piece of info. Thanks, DZ. I actually feel like I learned something right there. That's amazing. I didn't know that. All right, if we lose 19,875, we could see 18,448. This would be awful, but it would be a measured move. So, correction inbound. NDX. Intel! Sorry, I like Intel. But TSM coming in with those semiconductors, kind of ruining the idea of my trade over here. BTC pump. BTC is moving. I don't know about pump, guys. You guys got to get off that $1 or that 1 minute chart. It's up. I don't know about all that. We will see. We are bullish BTC to NATH. What? XRP will go to $4 before 50 cents. Hey, it could. It could go to 440. Honestly, still set up for that. Still set up for 440. I just don't like talking about it. XCN coin ready to fly. XCN could fly. It honestly could. 64. There's no reason it should go up 64%, but it could. I won't deny that. Yeah, Intel. I'm still looking for this move to the upside. We could go to $39. We could go a little bit higher. But you need to start catching some bids. You got a little bit overbought on the daily. You're pulling back. Nice consolidation happening. Trying to retake that 200 simple moving average. does not look bad. On the daily, looking at your weekly here, weekly looking good. You're gaining strength after hitting a double bottom. This looks good. You're looking for that higher low. As long as you get a higher low, you're golden. Take on off, buddy. So yeah, Intel, not bad. Let's check out Jupiter. Welcome, sir. In 1800s, rich families would use silver spoon to feed their babies. What? That's crazy. Who did you learn TA from when you first started? Crypto Jeb, and he's still live to this day. Crypto Jeb had his own course. At the time I learned, it was $125. Well spent. Can you look at LRDS? Sure. LRDS. Sure thing, bud. All right, Jupiter, it is low. Currently on the weekly. Let's check out your daily. Daily, do we got any? Is it looking like? It's looking like we could put in some bullish divergence. You're still in your downtrend. You need to break out. If you do not break out, you're likely to see 53 cents. But if you do break out, because it looks like you could be putting in some bullish divergence, you then have the opportunity at back testing 68 cents as support. Until that happens, gotta stay bearish. 4-hour time frame looking meh. It's not great. It's not bad. Meh. You got your bullish div, but you're not putting in that higher low yet. That's not good. That's not a good look. It's kind of nasty looking. I don't like that. So we're still in the wait and see. Are you going to come down and touch support at 53.72, or are you going to break back up? You're in limbo. This is not great. You want RSR? Got you. How much is it now? I have no clue. Intel in a precarious position. It is in a precarious situation because I was like, dang, I need to rethink my Intel. No. They're still poised to turn their operation around. Yeah, even Craig Bry, original CEO, called the board a bunch of shareholder vultures. Wow, that's rough. Those are some strong words. Couple of big boys think for BTC. Oh, you think it's just a couple of big boys trying to pump up BTC and they're failing? I mean, a lot of things are oversold, man. A lot of things are oversold. Catching a bounce overnight would make sense. What Wall Street does in the morning, we'll see what it does. Press the like, everyone. He deserves it. I hope I deserve it, but it's okay if I don't. I'll just keep on keeping on. B3 is next, the long-awaited B3. So B3 here, looks like the bearish case is starting to happen. Bearish case is happening right now. You have bearishly backtested this 4679 level for far too long. You are likely to come down to 408. They're about to kill Intel if they actually split their operations and focus on monetizing their fabrications. Yeah, that would be bad. All right, let's look at B3 as if I was going to trade it. So if I were trading B3, I would first identify this right here. You see the downtrend, plain as day. Plain as day. And then you saw the acceleration. So you do have two little points here. As soon as you get close to this, you're most likely going to be looking at more downside. What you can operate off of right now is the bullish divergence on the 1 hour. So what you're going to be looking for is a retrace. Could be a 50% retrace. You could see something like this, a 9.29% move to the upside. This would give you a better looking downtrend, of course, unless you went straight up to it. Then that's just a bearish test of your downtrend. And then you could look at this as going to the downside after that, because you would be respecting the trend. And if that were the case, oh man, it lines you up perfectly with touching support. So you all can see what I just did there. Very simple, very straight to the point. I think the children are calling it demure. But yeah, you could see another 28% downside if you catch this beautiful little bounce. That beautiful little bounce on the bullish divergence, that might even get some people crazy bullish about it. Like, oh my god, we're going up, finally. Maybe not. Bunch of hoodwinkers out here. Bunch of hoodwinkers. So remember, if you're in a downtrend, stay bearish until you're broken out. Even if you break this local downtrend, you have a higher one to deal with. So always remember that. Anyways, moving along. Degen. And it's also with that little way of trading, I have been killing it recently. It's been wild. Wild, man. Anyways, 15% downside was achieved. We are catching bids down there. Interesting. Yikes. Okay, it's sharp though. Very, very sharp. With some hidden bullish divergence. So if we do catch a bounce, start running up, Degen is set up for that nice higher low run possibility. If this gets bullish tonight, if this reaccumulation does work out, your bullish case scenario is 49% move to the upside. However, it is still in play. You could find yourself back down to 3165. Bearish until broken out. Unfortunately. If you were trying to go long because you believed in this thing and you had the conviction, your stop loss would be right down here around 3770. We shall see how it pans out. We'll take it to you, Bob. Anyways, market cap super low. Over there on B3. Yeah, it is kind of low, isn't it? All right, Doge. Did we hit the 18 cents? Did we get it? Oh, we were so close. Damn it. It is a higher low, though. Look at that. Look at that. You got a higher low on the Doge. My dog. All right, anyways. Yeah, higher low after the bullish divergence. So this is where dreams are made of. Right here. Right here. Dreams are made of. What's your TA for bottom of Bitcoin? I don't know about bottom, but maybe around 64,000? Oh, wow. Bullish case scenario. 44% to the upside. I mean, noted, we have support sitting at 71,000, like major support sitting at 71,000. I would not expect us to go below 71,000 if we even make a lower low than what we just recently did. And that's a big if. I don't know that we will. But I'm starting to see all these things that are pointing toward it should be bullish. Your 4-hour time frame for Dogecoin is telling you it should go up 44%. And right now might be the time to jump in. This is not bullshit. This is literally, you had bullish divergence on the 4-hour, you fell down, and you made a higher low. This is the making of a bullish setup. This is showing you want that 44% move to the upside. Lower! You want lower? That's funny, Johnny. That's funny. But yeah, it is set up just fine. If the market makers want to be mean, could be bad. Could be real bad. Today, a 58-year-old became a member of this channel. Roberto, I appreciate you. I do believe Milk has you beat. I think Milk is a little bit older than you. But thank you so much for the $2 super chat. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you so much. Bullish until BTC has its period. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair, Jim. That is fair. Roberto is the greatest of all time. Thank you, Roberto. I appreciate the nice super chat. Oh, yeah, 44% upside is very possible right now. I'm thoroughly surprised. Let's check out your 15-minute to showing you the same shit. Hold on. No shot. You have bullish divergence on the 15 too? Dang, bro. Dang. If you wanted to gamble on Dogecoin, now's the time. That's wow. Was not expecting that. Anyways, you got to break out of this downtrend, then you're good. But wow, there is a bullish case. Bearish case scenario, you're going to see way lower, like 10 cents lower. It's going to be really bad if you lose that level. That's expired milk. That's pretty funny. But no, I think Milk said he was like 60 or 63. I don't know. My first thought when Milk said it, I was like, and you're on YouTube. That's amazing. Because I have one of my uncles. He is 68. And I was like, oh, do you watch YouTube? He's like, oh, the YouTubes. Every once in a while I see a video. I'm like, the YouTube. Oh, God. No. I'm like, uncle, you don't watch YouTube at all. Wow. So, yeah, I actually get amazed by that. My dad, he's 63. He does not watch YouTube. Actually, he barely has a smartphone. The only reason he has a smartphone is for his Onyx maps to go hunting. That's the only reason he got it. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah, weird thing to say, but Dogecoin is bullish right now until it breaks support. Bullish until it breaks support, I guess. But it needs to break out of the downtrend. So also bear. It's Schrodinger's cat. That's what it is. Schrodinger's cat is what it is. Chewy, China announced tariffs to retaliate. Surprise. JK, everyone. Knew that was going to happen, right? Fees, thank you so much for becoming a member. Holy crap. Thank you so much, Fees. I appreciate you. Fees is sick of waiting for me to look at his crypto. Wow. Tonight is popping for you. It's actually popping. It's crazy. I don't understand why. All right, Kato, whatever this thing is. Alrighty, let's get into it. Thank you so much, Fees. I do appreciate you. This is absolutely amazing. First sub ever on YouTube. Wow, really? Wow. Damn, I feel honored. Hopefully I don't disappoint you too much. Kato. Is this all the info you got? Oh, this is okay, yeah, this is all the info you got. Alright. So upside targets did not happen, as we can tell. Did not happen. You broke your uptrend. That's not good. Not what you wanted. We had a bearish case, and it looks like you're going to go find some support at 133. I'm on the daily right now. So remember, there's barely any data on this, so I could be absolutely wrong in my analysis. Understand that, just because there's not enough information. But anyways, what I'd be looking for is when this downtrend started, is getting the measured move, which is going to your 618. So we're looking for 124 to play out. If we get that, usually a Twitch guy. Oh, well, hey, I am on Twitch too. But becoming a member here on YouTube is way better. It's way cooler. Anyways, right now we're looking for a little bit of a retracement because you are almost oversold. So if you do get a retracement, you're looking to get back up to 197.78, and then further downside could be coming. Did I miss MSTR? No, you did not. MSTR, you got a little bit of a ways. Fast trades, you got a little bit of a ways. But yeah, Fees, I do greatly appreciate you becoming a member, testing out the YouTube experience. It is just as disappointing as Twitch. Don't worry. Except, actually, it's more. You do not get emotes over here. If you do, I need to learn how to do them. Super centralized, similar to XRP. It's crap, dude. I mean, who knows? I don't know. I actually don't know anything about that project. I know absolutely nothing about it. Bonk doing terrible things. Terrible things. You had the bullish divergence, could not get the higher low. That's a problem. That is a grade A issue there, brother. But you are finding support off this supply line. Demand line? I don't know. Finding it off this line. and you do not. No, you do. You have bullish divergence. What do you mean?
Oh wait, today's Tuesday?
Today is Monday. What do you mean? What? I'm so confused. Anyways, I would still be looking for this bad boy to make this move down to 908. But right now, looks like you're trying to catch a little relief bounce. Looks like you're trying to. Let me check in on my trade real quick. I feel like I'm getting rinsed. You guys ever get that feeling when you're just not paying attention to a trade? BEL, we're not getting rinsed. We're freaking making dough, baby. Okay, sorry. My bad. I'm sorry. Got a little out of pocket there. I'm sorry. I better put some check marks on all these things I've been through. Okay. Don't want to get lost in the sauce here. Still weird how Onyx launched their layer 3 project before their layer 1 project. Yeah, that is pretty weird. Josiah, XRP. We did cover XRP. I guess toward the end we can loop around to get to it if you need. Okay, I'm an idiot. I'm Amir. I got you, bro. We're going into LTC next. Enjoying the content, smash the like, support the channel by subscribing and sharing the content. No shilling here, only alpha. Trade intuition. Thank you so much. You're amazing. Thank you for the very nice words and the motivation for the team. How do I link Discord to YouTube? So in your Discord, you're going to go to your settings somewhere down here. Go to user settings, and then in your user settings, you have the opportunity of linking your Discord somewhere in here. I don't know. I looked it up on a YouTube channel, but you can link other accounts, but you need to go into your settings to do it. I forgot how. Somewhere in here. Link password. I don't know. But anyways. Failing subscriptions, nope. I want to say it's under... I don't remember. Gonna have to YouTube it. I'll give you more information on that later, once I find it. Anyways, what he said. LCX. I'm gonna look at LCX. Got you on the LCX. What's the YouTube chat thinking? Up or down? We're all thinking down-ish. How you doing today, Chewy? How you doing? Connections. I see it. Yeah, that. Can I please look at ALCH? Looking to trade it. All right. Also, guys, if you are looking to trade something like a leverage trade, say that. Just because it does help me out when I look into it. I'll look into it a bit more deeply so that I can actually say how I personally would look to trade it. And then you guys can take any of my dumb thoughts and use them as a reference. Like, this guy's an idiot or he knows what he's doing. It's up to you. Alrighty. LTC is next. Let's loop around to LTC. Just get a quick look for Amir. Amir, I hope you're still here. CRO deep. Yeah, okay, we'll check out CRO. Alright, so LTC down here, I'm looking for a nice bounce to the upside, getting you about a 9.8% move to the upside. Hopefully, this is all hopium. Because if we do get that, we find resistance at 114, we could then find ourselves down here to 82.65, and I would love to short this. But currently we are respecting a downtrend, and it is just getting held down by its hair. Just getting held down by its hair. It's not great. And if it does just keep stair climbing down, it's going to be really hard to find an entry, sort of. You'd probably be looking for this entry right here. And on a little scalp trade, which noted, I don't recommend scalp shorting it right now, but you could see this thing come down to 94.77. AVAX, please. Night Sky. Night Sky, are you the same one from Twitch or earlier? Or if so, welcome back, brother. Night Sky wants some AVAX. There's a big CME gap at 76K. You're right, Jungle. You're absolutely right. LTC did not hold the pump at all. It was a weird one. Big down so far. Oh yeah, it's big time down. Night Sky's back. What is up, man? Been a while. Grayscale will not let LTC go until the ETF is established. That's fair. That is fair. All right. Moving along. Grayscale be loading up. Grayscale's crazy. I definitely say pay attention to what Grayscale's doing. CSPR. Pay attention to the big boys. Always pay attention to the big boys. CSPR is finding support right now. I believe this is one of your lower levels of support. Okay, it's like almost the lowest level of support. You're hoping to hold. AVAX cheap. It is cheap. It is cheap. So right now for Casper Labs, Casper is in a falling wedge. You did have an uptrend you broke down from, but if you can maintain above 11,065, you could see this thing rally 91%. However, always got to be a little bearish. However, you could also see this thing get another touch, and you could see 24% to the downside. So that's your bearish case. That's your bullish case. Night Sky wasn't even subbed. You crazy. Mo2, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. So yeah, bearish case. You could see this thing fall on down here. 24%. It is a possibility. Your daily does have room to fall. It does have room. Your 4 hour is not oversold. Not oversold at all. You just broke an uptrend to the downside. So naturally, you're going to be like, oh, what's the possibility of going down? Where would we end up? We would probably end up at no shot. Testing the lower trend line. I don't make the rules, guys. I'm just out here reading. Don't shoot the messenger. Just out here trying to give some info. I'd be looking for like a 20% drop. Ooh, not so great. Not so great. I would guess a bounce though, right? 15 minutes, showing you kind of want to bounce. Showing you kind of want to bounce. Let's try for 50 likes here. That would be cool. That would be cool. I don't know if we'll get it, but that would be cool. Current downtrend that you need to break out of is right there. So let's see how you do. You have your bullish, you have your bearish, you have everything in between. That is Casper. Anyways, moving along, we got AXL. Jesus. Axel. I'm pretty sure Axel was giving somebody diarrhea earlier this year because it kept going down. I feel like it was DZ, but let's see here. Oh, man. So we got that 13% downside. Got the fake out to the upside, of course, with the rest of the market. But dang, this thing could go. Maybe you have some support. No, you don't. Axel's in the range of not owning it. Probably just don't want to own it right now. It's trying to figure itself out. It's going through an identity crisis, you know? It's had some better days. It's had a lot of better days, I would guess. Maybe you got some bullish divergence to work off of. No. You know what? Maybe you got a supply line that, like... You don't really got that either, do you? Yeah, you do. Hey. Maybe you'll hold some support. Yeah. We could... Yeah. 50x long for sure. I don't like this one. I'm just going to be honest. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. I don't like it as long as you're below 48.96. The fact that you fell and you didn't have the strength to go back test it. That's my problem here. This looks really bad. This looks really bad. Bro, don't tell people my number 2 turned into number 5 earlier. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. Yeah, I wouldn't even care about this thing till you got to 30, 31. Wouldn't even care. Mind looking at AVAX when you get a chance? Yeah, no problem, Night Sky. No problem. I got you covered, brother. Oh, but yeah. This does not fantastic. You already hit the 1272. What's to stop you from going to the 1618? What's to stop you from going to this 1618? Nothing. Nothing. You could see this thing keep... No. That's not good. It's not good. I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's just pray for better prices. Let's pray for some upside. That's all we can trade off of. Hopium right now. Let's check out Kava. Let's go to Kava. Let's get out of here. Damn it. Damn it. Now, Kava, I'm going to admit, I am very biased on because of the weekly chart. The weekly chart has me super biased. You can see the low back here. Now, I want you to pay attention on this relative strength. You should have a low, a lower low, relative strength, a low, and a higher low. Bullish divergence on the weekly makes Kava look pretty darn cute. The only thing you wanted was a higher low, and guess what? Higher low. You hit it once, you're having a lot of trouble getting down there again. As long as you stay above 37.58, I am hyper bullish on Kava. And I'm looking for Kava to go up and test 119 eventually. It might take you 2 years. Honestly, it might. I've been holding this little bastard for 2 whole years. Hasn't done anything. It's rough. It's rough out here. Very rough. Alright, let's go ahead and look at Tau. Let's check out Tau. We were shorting it. Oh my goodness gracious. It's going to make the measured move. Oh my God. Who would have thought it could fall like that? What? That's wild. No way. We're almost there. We're almost there. We got some light support down here. It's trying to hold its own. 214 looks way better. I'm not gonna lie. But 250 looks like it's gonna happen. Give it some time. Man, this is worse than a bloody nose. This is worse than a middle school girl wearing white pants because she doesn't know any better. Oh, man. So bad. Anyways. Let's move on to Jasmine. Jasmine. Alright, Jasmine out here is not doing the right and proper thing at all. Oh, no. Oh, no. Market open is your friend for red candles. Well, not if it's completely red overnight. You might see market open a little bit green. You might. NASDAQ is not done bleeding yet either. Really? Oh, man. That's kind of a shame. That's kind of a shame. I would be looking for a bounce. I would not get into the short right now. If you can come back up and bearishly backtest this 1804, this would be great. So if you can come up, give it a little touch-a-roo, and then let it roll over, this could be a very good shorting opportunity for 24%. But you need this thing to get the backtest. Not sure if I've seen it or do all right. Don't worry, Harry. We're going to be getting there. I haven't looked at it yet. Not yet. I want BTC to hit 77K so we can hurry up and bull run Altcoin Academy. You know, that's the right way of thinking. I like that. I like that. I still think it might be 71,000, but I like that. I do like that. You have support at 71,000. That's the only reason why I think that. You got support down there. But if we do hit just a higher low, hey, things could be great. We'll see. We will see. Bleed a lot more. If Bitcoin hits 77K, I actually don't think it's going to be that much more. Like, I really don't. I feel like they've already bled out the altcoin market so much, they're going to want to push it up. The only reason they'll push it up is just to bait in more people to go long, and they'll be like, oh my god, alt season's here. It'll be a complete money grab, but, you know, if they don't do that, there's no point in people buying it. You think ACH will do well? I have no idea, honestly. I have no idea, Eric. I will have to check it out. There was a guy bought 440k USDC if Jasmine before it rolled over. Send a prayer. Damn, that's rough. You know that was his grandma's money. That's not good. You know his grandma left him some inheritance, and he just goodness, SRM looks terrible. What? That's a bad. Oof. That does not look good. Oof. So ugly. Oh no. Couldn't even test that? We'll get Sailor sweating. His average is at 67k. I don't think he'll be sweating. I don't think he'll actually care. I think he'll buy more. Like, if I'm being completely honest, I think he would buy more. So the thing is, a lot of people think that Grandma would have had him and MSFT. Oh goodness. No, I think Sailor, he bought a bunch of unsecured loans. He was just like, oh, I'll just sell off a bunch of my cheaper stock. It's no real big deal. But he doesn't have like an expiration or anything. We would have to be in a prolonged downtrend for multiple years for it to even affect him. So I think he would actually like go and buy more. Like, if I'm being honest, I think he would do that. Yeah, downtrend still intact, and now you are set up for way more downside. Well, oh my goodness, you could see 3 cents for this thing. You do have bullish divergence, so if you set a higher low, completely invalidated, we could go straight to the upside. And if we do go to the upside, your bullish case here is to get a nice retrace. So your retrace could be substantial, anywhere between the 50 and 618, 38% or 57% upside. You're kind of waiting and seeing. If the market gets bullish, SRM could be great. You're sitting right at the demand line here, or supply line, whatever you want to call it. Your 4 hour does not look good. You have bearish divergence already, and you're at resistance. I would expect the rollover. That would be my expectation. With expectations comes assholes. Just remember that. But bearish case, 86% downside. You are in price discovery to the downside after all, so I guess that makes sense. You could see another 86% downside. Hopefully that does not happen. Hopefully not. POKT. POKT. You are trying really hard to hold the support, but you are underneath it. You are at all-time lows. Crispy Lifestyle. Crypto is wild. Crypto is wild. And that's the best part. That's the best part. That's why we're here. It's for the volatility. If we didn't have volatility, there's no point in this market. So right now, you're setting a higher low after bullish divergence. POKT, or POKT, yeah. This thing could see a nice retrace. A very nice retrace, if you ask me. This has all the possibilities with a very reasonable stop loss. You could see 78% move to the upside. This looks very good for an upside. You have your confirmed breakout, back test. You have your higher low after bullish divergence. This looks really, really good. I like this one. I really do. Stop loss, just get it right under these wicks. 1498. This would be really nice. So that's what I'm seeing out of this one. I don't have a bearish case, really. I mean, don't get me wrong. We can map it out. You're not going to want to see that because you might see yourself down here at 1062. You only got a 618 retracement, but that's far enough. That is far enough. So, yeah, there's possibility of downside. I'm thinking you're going to go up, though. And that's solely because you're at all-time lows. If you do go down, 34% downside, target would be 1062. XPR. Can we look at DCI? Okay, all right, DCI. Got it. Got you covered there. Alrighty, so XPR, you are back into the downtrend. That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. I would say you lost your uptrend as well. Because I would have marked this out. Yes. Oh, you did not lose it. You're hitting it. Oh shit, you're finding support on it. Nice. Hold support, young Padawan. Hold support. Because your opportunity at greatness is crazy. Absolute craziness. This thing could fly. If the market gets bullish, XPR could actually fly. 188% upside. It could do it. Could do it. Do I think that's about to happen? Of course not. Of course not. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour. Looking really good. Wow. In that bearish control zone. See, this looks really good, actually. Huh. Just fighting all of my bad news bearsness. Okay, alright. The only downside I do honestly see, and this will be your bearish case scenario, is the fact that you did have this uptrend and you broke it. And you could see prices come down. Possibly to support down here at 2628. Yep. F is XPR. XRP isn't good enough? No, it's not. It's not good enough. So, bearish case scenario. You got your bullish case. Bullish case is crazy bullish. Your bearish case, it's not that bad. 35 to 38% downside. Not that bad. Not that bad if you consider. Not that bad. But yeah, that's what I see out of XPR. Could be another bloodbath tomorrow since the tariffs on Mexico and Canada will start. True. XPR is layer 1 for network backed by the banking capital and create a digital banking crypto network in crypto. Interesting. Metal is there. Layer 0 blockchain with XPR is supported on. Oh, I gotcha. Okay, alright. And the last 5 Tuesdays have been red. Really? The last 5? That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, we got MicroStrategy. What do we owe? Damn. Here I thought stocks weren't supposed to be volatile like that. Damn, bro. Damn. This is a great falling wedge. But you kind of have to hold above 220 for any hope. Hold above 220. You got your third touch, though. I think Wall Street might be nice to this one. It might be nice. Just maybe. And if it is nice to it, we do have a measured move based off the falling wedge. So it's going to need some really good news or Bitcoin to move really well. But you could see yourself back to 496. 5 red candles in a row. Jeez, that's wild. They've been stable currency? Really? Used to be just Mondays. Now Mondays and Tuesdays? They're changing up their tactics on us. Okay, make it 6 red candles for Tuesday. 1 more until isn't going to hurt. That's true. It's not going to hurt. You got oversold on the 4 hour, but that does not matter that much. Let's check out your daily. Daily's hanging on to the 200 daily moving average. You really want to hang on to that. Stay above it. Stay above it. So if Bitcoin does catch a bounce tomorrow, we're expecting MicroStrategy to catch a bounce as well. Lots of hopium out here. Lots of hopium. But yeah, worst case scenario, I'll see it at $179. Maintaining your uptrend would be very important. All right. I ran. Oh no. You are headed to that other level. Damn. This thing's selling off hard. As long as you don't fall below this green line, $6.61 is the target. Stay above it. You're still in an uptrend. See, this is the problem when you get these Bitcoin miners. They are so gosh darn volatile. So volatile. When Bitcoin hits 130K, my strategy will go 350. Probably. Wow, where is this short on my life? Oh, man. There's your downtrend. This is a rough one. So even if you do bounce to the upside, it could still be nasty. You don't even have a demand line? You just, oh, man. That's too bad. I guess if I was smarter the first time I saw this, if I was smarter, if I was a little bit taller, a little bit better, I would have seen that. I'm only seeing it now. Damn it. That's on me. That's on me. I didn't see that before. That's on me. God dang it. 2 bearish back tests? We all knew it was coming at that. God dang it. Sucks I missed that. It really does suck I missed that. That's unfortunate. Damn. Sorry I failed you. I'm sorry. We even have a measured move from this thing. Fuck me. $5.30 is the measured. Right now is your first profit taking level. Good God. Alright. I'm done beating myself up over it. Damn it. See, the whole thing about reading charts, it's nice because, you know, you have the opportunity of just being right. And that feels good. But, you know, when you're wrong, God, it really sucks. There's a financial value. You're like, you are wrong for this much money. You're like, damn it. Oh, it blows, you know? Why is Devi looking so bearish? What the fuck? Actually, it lines up better with this. So I'd be looking for 33% downside for Devi. What did Devi do? Man, it was looking so promising a few weeks back. It was looking so promising. But then you fell down, you bearishly consolidated, falling further, finding your next level of support, 49 cents. Hopefully you don't lose that. Hopefully you're not going for an 886. Because if you are going for the 886, then we might just see you all the way down here to 42.57. Devi going through its paces, having a hard time. Damn. US DT. This is not the one I look at. This is the one I look at. There's some positive. You're still in the falling wedge. You're still in the falling wedge here. So we'll just move this down right over here. Here. You could have one day where you're just up 100%. Randomly one day. I don't think they want to tell you when that day will be. I really don't think they want to give it to you. Just saying. But one day. This one you are buying on the hopes that it will stop finding more downside. It is just finding all of the downside. But it is in a falling wedge. It does have bullish divergence on the daily. Massive. Like quadruple, quintuple, sextillion. Lots of bullish divergence. Someone's still buying. They're just not sending the price up. They are buying as much as they can. BLZ has hope. Block Lords. Nope. Do I really look at this one on Poloniex? There ain't no way, right? No, there isn't. There it is. BLZ's market cap is 13 million. Well, they got delisted from Binance, and ever since then, they've just been wrecked. Looks like LRDS is about to make our measured move. We are looking for that 2248. But you are in price discovery to the downside, so we need to wait for structure before we can really do anything. Whoops. Not what I want to get rid of. This is what I want to get rid of. And this. Okay. So yeah, we are just waiting for that. Waiting for some type of bullishness. On your daily, you still do not have bullish divergence. Maybe you catch a bounce one day. Maybe. Maybe it just keeps going off into oblivion. I can't say much about this one. I'm sorry. There's not much going on besides the steady drop into the darkness of the ocean. Oh, it's tough out here. Alrighty. RSR. Crypto gaming has been bearish for years. You're right. It has been toast. Absolute toaster strudel. BLC is straight up gamble. You're not wrong. Not wrong. Looks like we are about to get this nice little 36% move to the downside. 40% move. I was bearish on this thing twice. Dang, that's crazy. Anyways, support sitting down here at 4787. You're sitting in the middle of nowhere. If you started catching bids and going up, kind of would make no sense, but it's possible. Death Cross is coming. Death Cross is coming. Give it some time. Death Cross will be here. Hopefully you hold at that 4787 when it happens. Otherwise, oh my, you could find yourself all the way down to 2128. You really want to hold that 4787 for RSR. Oh my, I didn't even know it went up that high. Holy crap. Dang, brother. That's kind of wild. Kind of wild. Didn't know it did that. Yeah, RSR looking a bit rough. Looking a bit rough. Maybe you catch bounces right now. Just maybe. Just maybe. That was your third touch. This is where you would be expecting a bounce to the upside. This is where you'd expect it. And is this a megaphone? No, it's just a channel. Just a channel. So you'd expect it to go up at least to the top of the channel. Expectations, though, make assholes out of all of us. Never have expectations. Never have expectations. Oh, here it is. All right. LCX. You are trying to go down and touch some support, it looks like. So the downside did not play out. This thing rallied. Rallied strong, too. But you are back into that downtrend after a formal bearish backtest. So it makes more sense for you to come down to 1709. We'll see if it holds. But you have a lot more support sitting down at 1381, which you did not backtest after breaking out. That would be my target. That would be my target. But if you can get a breakout and a formal test at 1709, you don't have to touch 1380. And then you could see this thing rally up to 5846. Ranging, it is definitely ranging. Lucius. Who's Lucius? Malfoy? Lucius Malfoy? As X. Oh. Okay. Illuvium? Oh, hold on. You're asking me to look at something. What's the ticker for that, Harry? What's the ticker for that one? Okay, who requested this one? You're looking to trade this? Ballsy move there, buddy. You are looking for a lower high and to short it. That's really all you're doing right now. You have bearish divergence on the 4 hour already. You got this weird megaphone thing going on. Who Who requested this? Here's your uptrend you're looking to break. Not very much information. I guess we'll use that as the resistance. Me! Alright. You're finding resistance right now. No problem. Mo2, no problem. This one, it's just very little information. It's very hard. Is that the lower high you're looking for? That doesn't make any sense. That wasn't high enough. That was the lower high? There's no way. There's absolutely... That was... So what I'm saying when I say it's not high enough, it's because of this. Like, you're looking for at least a 618. You didn't get the 618. So if you start rolling over it, this thing's crazy bearish. Like, it's really bad. So without you getting that second high to really establish a good downtrend, it's very hard to figure out where you're going to put that stop loss, because you could make a third higher high. So you got to understand that. Like, that's where it gets really difficult. You do have the bearish divergence on the 4 hour. That's the nice thing. But this megaphone pattern is really like dangerous to try and short. Just because if you didn't set your high and roll over, this thing could just rally up to a new high. It's a little bit of gambling. You're in a short of 57 cents. Oh, you just got in it. Are you trading off like the 5 minute? What made you want to get into that? Because even if you were like, oh, we have a trend here based off this, as soon as you broke out of it, that would have like shit your shorts. You should have gotten stopped out. Unless you used that high. The fact that you have a higher low, this is my other problem I'm having here. It's this higher low situation. Like, why did that happen? So here's the problem I'm having. It's this, and the fact that you didn't get high enough. Either you're dumping or you're not. And this one now, it's starting to look like you're not. So I just like, this is something I wouldn't even trade yet. I would just be waiting till you broke this uptrend right here to short it. I would honestly be waiting for that, or wait for that distinct lower high. ILV, oh, gotcha. The 15 is concerning. The 15 is very concerning because it looks like I could go long right now. But it does look like a consolidation. The fact of the matter is, this is symmetrical. So it could just rally on up and take you all the way up. Honestly, it could take you all the way up here because this is still a higher low. So understand, you do have a bullish case right now, which is kind of amazing. But you do have a bullish case. You could go all the way up to 9743. That very high wick just made in 1 minute, very quick yesterday. Okay. But that means there's people interested in this thing. And now you're set up. You could. There is an argument for you to go up 79%. This is what you're fighting against right now. So this one I would wait. It's so low market cap. Whale games? It could be whale games. Very well could be. Yeah, this one, until you break this uptrend, I wouldn't even consider shorting it. Honestly, I would not consider it. I mean, worst case, we're regarding this as an uptrend now. Oh my god. Yeah, you're getting more and more of an uptrend. It's starting to accelerate to the upside. Me personally, I wouldn't have shorted this one. Not yet. Not yet. That's why I wanted to trade it. Was very low market cap. That means it will be volatile. That's true. It will be volatile. You have a bullish case right now of 79% upside. While we're looking at it, it's bouncing around already. You're getting some really nice movement. That higher low, that's scary to me. No, it legit is. I've watched it from 200 million down to 20 million. 100% whale games. All right, cool. I'm okay with whale games just as long as I can read them. like whales, play your games. Let me ride some waves, bro. So this is your bullish case. Bearish case scenario, bro, this thing can go into the dirt. It can go straight back to where it started. 1461. Could just die off. But you have a very bullish case here. Simply because you do have a higher low, consistent higher lows. A nice retracement. This could just be a reaction at resistance. That's all that is. And it could just start pushing straight on up. Be careful with this one. But you do have a bearish case too. If you do not break to the upside, you could see yourself back down here to 3298. And then, who knows? Maybe continue down. Who knows? That would be a 39% dump. If it does it. 39. But yeah. 15 minute. It honestly looks like it wants to go up. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. Check ACH Alchemy Pay. Yeah. We can. We can definitely check out ACH. I like me some ACH. Sometimes it pumps like crazy. All right, CRO. We're finally got to Cronus. Cronus, man, you took out your low. Too bad. Oh yeah, I got you, James. Sorry about that. Yeah. Stop loss at entry. I'm playing it safe now. Mo2, that's smart. That is very smart. Because if it starts going, you don't want to be stuck in that trade. You really don't want to be stuck in it. Alright, so real quick, let's get through Cronus. You're breaking out to the upside. You are oversold. Nice. Looking at your 1 hour. Too bad. You full reset. This could literally keep going down or go up. You're not oversold. What's the most bullish coin tonight? DZ, are you trying to short the market? BEL. It's the most. It's the best. It's the greatest of all time. But if you're looking at something else, I don't know. I'm not all the way sure. Not all the way sure. Nothing really looking that bullish to me. I guess XPR was looking pretty good. But no, everything is subject to go down. Made some good rips on since manipulated. The last dump. You went 30x short and did great. That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, since you're broken out of your downtrend for CRO, you could see it do a nice golden retrace. So your bullish case scenario for CRO, you could see this thing rally up, possibly going 14%. Bearish case, there you have support down here, 6366. So bearish case, you go down and touch some support, 13% downside, you're at a coin flip. You are at a coin flip. And I was looking for that 28% downside before, stopping out all the shorts, that was just a dick move. But now you have a new established downtrend, which is frustrating. It also comes with that hidden bearish divergence. So you're expecting more downside. Oh wait, market cooked. Thanks for your stream tonight. DZ, I'm personally in a short on BEL. I think it's gonna drop at least 12%. Just understand that. If you're shorting, that one. If you're trying to just buy in, I think XPR with a stop loss might be a good bet. Might be. But make sure you got a stop loss within like 7% or something. Alright. CRO, bullish bearish case. Looks like it's going down though to go touch some support. So I would think it's going to fall. Alright, moving on. We got AVAX. AVAX. For one of the homies from all the way back when we were watching Solana during the first bull run. Now we're looking at AVAX. No, we looked at AVAX during the first bull run too. Come to think of it. AVAX on the 4 hour. That is some hidden bearish divergence if I've ever seen it. Oh shit. Oh no. The higher relative strength and lower price. Hidden bearish divergence. AVAX is about to get screwed. 1533 is the target. 1533. Can I'm loyal, bro. Why would I buy bootleg XRP XPR? Oh gosh, that's pretty funny. All right, AVAX, there's not much to talk about outside of this bearish div on the 4 hour, and you're not oversold. This could just keep on going. Keep on going. Not good. Very well established downtrend as well. 23% downside would be expected. Would be expected. Damn. Loyal to crypto. Goodness. All right. Oh, man. ILV. Nope. I need to stop skipping James's. I write it in a different spot, and I keep covering it. SOXL. James, I got you. I'm not trying to ignore you. My bad, brother. That is my bad. I need to move my little thing right. Oh, no. No. We even got the bearish backtest. Oh, my God. Hate to say it, bro. You're going down. 1391. Oh, my God. It was like bullish case. You're going to go touch the top. Bearish. You fall out. Oh, no. James, if you're still here, I'm sorry for your loss. I'm sorry for your loss. You got a little bit more downside. You just lost support today at $20.51. You're hoping for a better day, but looks like that better day ain't coming. Bearish bag testing your 50 and 100 simple moving averages on the daily. Yikes. Why is BEL going positive? Bastard. Anyways, this this doesn't look great. Not at all. Does not look great. I'm gonna move away from this before we get some eye cancer. Oh, it's a 3x share. No wonder. Never mind. No wonder. All right. At one point, you were down $100. Well, that's not bad. $100 ain't bad. You recovered that though. Oh, did you short it? Alright, this one looks terrible. Yeah, you guys want to know something funny? There are probably hella people who want to buy XRP, but they have dyslexia buying XPR. That would be funny. Bro, my first time here, and I'm loving it already. Nice stream. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Glad you're enjoying it. No, you doubled your bet. Your long? What the? I had wicked it, to be honest. That's wild. Oh my goodness. You're wild, James. I wish you the best of luck on that trade. Honestly, I do wish you the best of luck. Don't get wrecked out there. Don't get wrecked out there. Looks like ILV is just finding new lows. Just out here getting sold off into the oblivion. We're looking for 659 right now. Could play out. You're not oversold on the daily. Looking at the 4 hour. 4 hour, you had a higher low and you fit. Oh no. Yeah, this thing can keep going. I actually use the XPR wallet mostly because that thing doesn't have major listings yet. Nice. Nice. Yeah, this thing it's bleeding a lot. It's bleeding more than that time of month. It's not fantastic. ILV, I would still be looking for downside. You need, and I'm being serious, need the whole market to be extremely bullish for you to start seeing that push to the upside. Otherwise, if we get very bearish, I don't see a point in trying to buy this thing at all. I don't see any point in trying to get in there. So I wish this one the best of luck. If I remember, this is a gaming situation, and gaming's been not performing well at all. So I do wish the best of luck on this one. It's just, ugh. When you're at these lows, you're finding new lows. It's not a very good thing to be holding. You want to wait for it to go back up at least to some resistance, get a back test, get a higher low, get something going. Until that happens, you don't want to own this thing right now. You just want to look at it and watch it fall. Maybe try and get into a short here and there. But when you look at this, you're like, oh, where's our closest level of support? Oh my God, our closest level of support, we are that far away from it? Holy guacamole. We couldn't even hold what we thought was a demand line. Couldn't even hold it. You fell through it. There's no reason to be buying this thing right now. None. It is discovering how low it can go. This is very bad. All right. ACH. ACH. Good old ACH. Lost some support. Has DEX swap token like Uniswap. These guys have such infrastructure but no capital. That's rough. That's probably the worst thing possible. Huh. This one looks strange. This one looks quite strange to me. So on the daily, you had this uptrend you just broke through. Like, sliced through like butter. That's not a good look. Really not a good look. Based off this price action right here, you can actually get a measured move to your downside because that happened. So even if you try to come back up, you're more than likely not going to break above 2869. You could very well see yourself back down to 1842. Would not be strange in the least. Your 4 hour wants to catch some bids, so let's see what ends up happening. You do have bullish divergence right now, so that is one thing to hang your hat on. Bullish div, but in reality, if I was being honest, I would only be looking for a 618 to the upside. Only a 618, and that lines up with resistance. Crazy how high it was. ILV, yeah. That's just what happens. That's why you never get married to a crypto. Never, or at least an altcoin. Never get married to it. Then you also have this downtrend you're working with, so it's like it's in a channel. This is your downtrend you're working with. Kind of trying to wedge out, but it could consolidate in here for a while. You got a layer 1, a layer 0, a DEX swap, stable. That's a weird amount of dedication to fundamentals before any cash flow. That is kind of weird. That is kind of weird. So yeah, this is what I see out of ACH. If we catch a bounce, 11% upside is very possible. If we catch a bounce. Big if out there. Big if. Never married, just have baby mamas. Okay, why am I getting so much attention on... Oh, it's probably spam. God damn it. Getting a lot of spam. Wow. On TikTok. That's great. That's awesome. Love the spam. Anyways. Chill out to the XRP people. They're nuts. Strong words there. Strong words. All right, everybody. Well, we covered all the requests. We got there. We did it. I'll call it a success. Just so everybody who's new here understands, tomorrow and Thursday, they are members only live streams. So what that means, everyone can view the live stream. But if you have any requests, you will not be able to talk unless you're donating. But I highly recommend a $5 membership. Might be worth it if you have requests. But you have hella spam emails, right? How about XCN? Yeah, we can loop back around. We'll check it out. XCN. So yeah, during these members only chat live streams, I will have a list just like I did today at the beginning of stream, and then I will be taking all the requests that I get. But noted, if you are not a member, all you can do is watch, listen, and enjoy. Otherwise, become a member. It's all good. Like super chats, yeah, super chats work too, but you know, throughout watching this channel, I'm hoping you can get at least a $5 value, whether it be through trade or maybe just my entertainment. By the time we get to Friday, it gets a lot more entertaining. I promise. But yeah. Anyways, plug over. Looking at XCN, I'm still looking for more downside. Why was I looking at that? Was it the 1 hour? It's the 1 hour. So 1 hour is doing actually pretty decent with breaking out of this little downtrend here. Let's go to the 15. 15 minute is not. So 15 is showing me this thing's ready to go down. 14%, baby. This looks great. I love it. You analyzed Tau, and you mentioned the possibility of it going down, but you didn't mention the bullish divergence. No, I didn't. Because it's not sitting on support. So, yeah, no. One of the top 20 coins, which is OM, has the weirdest chart I've ever seen. It does! We've been talking about that one for weeks. It, like, never goes down. It's absolutely crazy. It is absolutely crazy. Bullish divergence on altcoin is worthless until Bitcoin moves up or BTC goes sideways, dominance comes down. True. Deep! No, so this one right now, it is set up for a 14% drop. However, if you look at it on the higher time frames, this thing will look like it is ready to go up. Higher time frames, you zoom out, you're like, we broke out, we're formally backtesting, setting a higher low. I know there's a bunch of noise here, but setting higher lows. So you could see this thing rally 64%. I don't see why it would. I honestly have no idea why that would happen, but it's a possibility. I'm way more in the boat of saying, hey, it's coming down 42%, pretty close to that 886. I'm way more in that camp. I think we're coming down, but don't have to. It swap. That chart is weird. What? Do you think ZIL 1 or VET can get any lower? Oh, they all can, Twigs. They all can. Emirati whales? Emirati whales. Never heard of that. BlackRock is actually funneling cash into Mantra. Are they really? And Ondo have a part. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. But yeah, so XCN, I'm looking for downside, but your bullish case could go up to 64%. Could be nuts. Let's go ahead and look at Tau, and I'll mention the reason why I didn't talk about their bullish div. So looking at this on the 4 hour, you do have bullish divergence, but I said it before, this is a very light support. You're not really on real support here. The real support's down here at $214. This is just a random little spot we caught bids from and took off. I don't think it's going to hold. I really don't think it will. So that's why I didn't really mention it. I'm thinking it could just go down to support. Looking at it on the daily, you're not oversold yet. And see, it's just a weird little area that the 50 simple happened to be at, and you took off from it. Your real support is down here. That's the only reason I'm not giving it the same credence I feel like other people would. I don't think so. I think you're going lower. If, especially you break down below it, yeah, the 250 to 214 looks way, way better. You could even argue this level right here at 230 makes way more sense than this level because of this back here where it acted as resistance. Then it acted as support. So just a little food for thought there. This acted as resistance back here. I just think it's much more reasonable. Come down here. But those are my personal opinions. I could be completely wrong. Could be completely wrong. Mantra chain fees are ridiculous. Even the bridge, the fees are enormous. Oh, so they're like Ethereum? Is that what you're saying? Let's check out these three real quick. Zill. Zill could definitely go lower. You're flirting with death right now, and you're not oversold. One. I'm pretty sure one can too. Yeah, one definitely could go lower as well. What was the last one? Vet. Vet is the most likely to go lower. Most likely. You're not sitting on support. So Vet, just to find some real support, you're looking for another 15% drop. You're already below and bearishly backtested the 200 daily moving average. What's to stop you from touching support? So yeah, out of those three, I would think Vet would be number one. Thanks for the TA on Irene and MicroStrategy. You were bang on first target. Unfortunately, I sold short of it and rebought the falling knife. Unload it. Go into MicroStrategy. Close to the 200 MA. Hey man, hopefully in the future I can be more right. That's all I can try to do. Hopefully I can just be more right. See those other things better. That's the whole problem. I just didn't see it. I didn't see it. But lately I've had more time to just stare at charts. I've gotten way better. So much for those three bank account coins. Oh goodness. OM looks absolutely ridiculous, but it looks like you're finally rolling over.
Shit.
LNE, thank you so much for becoming a member. Make sure you link your Discord and your YouTube, and then join the Discord and join the members only group where you end up seeing every trade that I post in there. I put in my stop losses, my take profits, and yeah, you guys can hopefully make that $5 back. And then some. Do I have time to check DCI? We did check DCI, Jim, but yeah, we can check it again. Holy Harry. Deep is it's a coin? Okay, you kept saying deep. I didn't understand what you meant because you always said it when I was looking at charts that were down low. I thought you were just saying like they were deep in the red. I feel terrible about that. Okay, we'll look at that. Oh my god. No, Jim, we'll look at it real quick. I got you. DCI. Oh my god. Oh man. Wait, did I look at that? I don't even know if I looked at this. I might be losing my mind. It's been 3 hours. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm just out here just losing my mind and shit. DCI, looking like you want to lose some support right here. I don't like this one. I don't like this one bit. Oh, no. Oh, no. You could find yourself back down to $62 or $58. Oh, that's not good. I mean, you still have these levels of support right here. 65, 66.75. If you fall below that, though, I mean, it lines up pretty nicely with 57.21. You're hanging on by a thread, but you are going down, brother. That's your weekly. Oh no. What's your daily look like? So much worse. Oh no. Just bleeding out, getting held down. Dang. You have bullish divergence. You have hope. You have hope. Harry gets first pick tomorrow. No, Harry, we're going to cover deep. We're going to cover it. Falling wedge. You have hope. You have hope. All right, there is hope, but we got a bullish and bearish case. Your bullish case is this thing's going to rally. You're going to get back above support. You're going to put your big boy pants on. You're going to go up 9.42%. But what I'm thinking is about to happen, you're about to see 15% downside. That was a very weak rally, followed by bleeding out. That was a very weak rally. Deep Seek got you. Deep. It's called Seek, Harry. Talking about the crypto? Circle back to BTC? You want me to? Okay. Right before I get off, we'll do that. This thing is only selling off. Oh no. Deep book. Harry, what are we doing here? I don't know if deep book is a... Really? It's deep book? Jesus. Deep. Okay. Deep. You tried so hard to break out. You came so far. In the end, it didn't even matter. In the end, it didn't even matter. Got support sitting down there at 8673. DCI's president keeps selling his shares, buying back cheaper. Dude's getting aggressive too. That's wild. I'm trying to find out if we're going up tonight. Okay, I got you. Okay, let's get these levels. So you're doing a very bad thing on Deep Book. You're losing a level. Let's check your daily, see if we lost it for... Oof. You're at a weird, precarious spot. Alright. You are not oversold. On both those time frames, not oversold. You are oversold on the 1 hour. You could be double bottoming. This is a possibility. I would rather we trade sideways than go up before market open. That would be nice, but who knows? It seems like they enjoy these beautiful little gaps on the CME futures. Seems like they like them. I feel like it gives them a scapegoat. Bullish case scenario here. You see about an 18 to 23% upside. Bearish case scenario. 19 or 29.95% downside. I'm leaning to the 29% downside after a bearish backtest of former support as resistance. That's what I'm thinking of. I feel like Harry is back in time. What's my lag on the stream? I feel like... Yeah, my lag's not that bad. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no. Which non-KYC futures exchange do I use? Buy DeFi. Buy DeFi. You see the watermark right there, but it is popping up in the chat. There's also a link in the description down below. Buy DeFi is a fantastic one to use. Also, I use Weeks. Weeks recently had some weird thing happen today where they were freezing accounts for some reason. So there is some people who don't really like that. I still like Weeks a lot, so I do recommend them as well. I am one of the quote-unquote elite traders for copy trading on Buy DeFi, and I'm getting it sorted out to where I can do that again on Weeks as well. So, yeah, I use both of them. Both of them. They are affiliated with the stream, and, yeah, you guys can join in over there. Anyways, I actually use them every single day. Damn, that thing is volatile. We are still good on our BEL trade, so that feels good. Anyways, guys, this is what I am seeing in the markets. Let's loop around to Bitcoin real quick before I sign off and get ready to get some shut-eye. Or just look for more trades. I might stay up for another like 2 hours just looking for trades. But Bitcoin not looking strong. Not looking strong. If we even do get a bounce, I don't think it'll be a strong one. Let's check the 4 hours not oversold. After that rejection, I'm feeling real bearish out here. And I'm really feeling this 72,336 level. Thank you, MLR. I feel like you're requesting another thing. So yeah, we could very well see Bitcoin come down another 13.8%. It is a possibility. We will see what the traders decide to do tomorrow morning, because also this could all be a fake out because we did have bullish divergence on the 4 hour. This could be our higher low. So I will be pointing this bullish case scenario out as well. But remember, you don't want to get caught off guard. I do highly recommend, but I will not tell you what to do with your own money. If you are trying to get some sleep tonight, I personally would not be putting in a trade. I would be waiting, sitting on my hands, going to bed, getting a good night's rest, and waking up early to see what market open does. But your bullish case scenario is Bitcoin rallies 25%, getting you back up to 105K. That's your bullish case. NDX still bleeding. Biddy will bleed. It probably will. We'll see. We will see. Thank you. Much love and respect. Oh, that's what it means. Okay, Harry. Thank you so much for the kind words. I do greatly appreciate you. Appreciate all the requests, everybody. You guys are absolutely amazing. I'm going to get on out of here. You guys join the Discord. It's absolutely free. If you become a member, we do have the members only section where outside of me just normally posting trade setups, you get to see what trades I am currently in, where my stop loss is, where my profit taking level is, and you guys can decide if I'm dumb or not and make your own decisions, of course. Just telling you exactly what I'm doing as I see things in the market. Normally, I do trade a lot during the days, so as long as the volatility is there, you guys might see me post several charts. You might see me post one. Honestly, I'm in a trade every single day. Take care, Porky. Thank you. Jim, thank you for coming in. I appreciate you. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are amazing. Dip, baby, dip. I mean, hey, it is dipping a lot. Anyways, I'm getting on out of here. Deuces, everybody. Keep those stop losses tight. I'll catch you tomorrow. See you later.